Bhai, you
So
are also in a biopic episode, and we are not going there because the podcast is recording. Chalo.
नहीं नहीं ये सब तो कटेगा ना.
मैं काट
हाँ,
दूंगा,
तो कटेगा
टेंशन नहीं.
मतलब पार्टनर, मतलब आपका पार्टनर जो है उसके लिए आपको एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी लाना पड़ेगा. उतना एनर्जी आपको
नहीं नहीं
एक घंटा
मैं आई
सस्टेन
विल
नहीं कर
टेक अ बैक
सकता.
सीट. आई विल टेक अ बैक सीट. मैं सुनूंगा. आई विल लिसन.
जादू मंतर, जादू मंतर, जादू मंतर. You are going into the future.
You talking to me?
They always be these in clothing.
என் பேர் மாணிக்கம். எனக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் இருக்கு.
Talking to me?
Queen is dead.
Yeah,
Simple.
okay.
We'll keep it
Okay.
simple that way.
ओके.
And चौबे डिस्कस
Don't
करना
start.
beginning में थोड़ा.
Don't start with me.
नहीं नहीं it's
Okay,
okay.
okay.
अरे, why are you scared? Relax.
Typically start with Amartya like always.
Why do people think that starting with P is going to help? It never helps.
No, I'll go with
No,
Dhruv. ठीक है.
we'll go 1-2 करके like one like one dislike one like one dislike.
हाँ,
ठीक
तो
है ना?
लाइक में जा ना. संजीत,
हम्म.
यू स्टार्ट. लाइक में जा. हाँ, बेस्ट है.
तो मैं ही होस्ट कर रहा
अरे
हूँ. I
वो
thought
मॉडरेट
from
कर रहा है.
last.
मुझे भेज दे भाई. मैं कर लूंगा स्टार्ट. No
हाँ
problem.
हाँ, ठीक है, चलो.
हाँ.
एक डिसलाइक, एक लाइक, एक डिसलाइक, एक लाइक, चलो.
हाँ. मेरे
So
पास
what,
से
Dhruv
लिखा will
first?
can speak and then after
हाँ.
that Amartya can speak and after that you can speak.
No,
Which is why I was.
this is also very interesting in a very objective manner and academic manner. This show is very interesting. चलो,
Yeah.
फिर भी
संजीत
मतलब
sir,
dissect कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
अपनी
Hello.
जोश में जितना भी जोश है उस सब में बोलो. हाँ.
हाँ हाँ 100%. Hello. Welcome back to Queen is Dead. I'm Sanjeet. I have Dhruv, Amartya, and Srilekha with me. And today, as the topic suggests, we discuss Killer Soup, the new Netflix show directed by Abhishek Chaubey, written by Uneza Merchant, Harshad Nalavade, and Anant Tripathi, along with Abhishek Chaubey himself. And yeah, I think we'll just
What
go
is it,
with initial
Sanjeet?
thoughts. Okay, what is it really? Okay, it is a crime comedy, black comedy crime thriller, which is
Yeah.
set in a fictional town called Manjur, which
Yes.
is somewhere in the southern part of India. Mostly has a lot of Tamil population, so I'm assuming it's
Hmm.
somewhere near Coimbatore or somewhere around near the hilly regions.
Hmm.
But yeah, it's a wacky story in that sense, very inspired by um in a way Cohen's with the
Hmm.
kind of story it is like as the soul,
Hmm.
but also has some far-fetched ambitions from Shakespeare as well, which at least I thought.
Hmm.
And yeah, I let's go with initial thoughts.
Yeah.
Dhruv, you want to go first?
Yeah. So I mean, this is going to be unfortunately a divided set of
Huh.
opinions in this episode, and I say unfortunate because I think you guys can correct me. I think we all have liked most of Chaube's other work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And which is this is the films essentially. So he has made Ishqiya, Ded Ishqiya, Son Chidiya, and Udta Punjab, right? And
Uttar
then he's made a
Punjab
bunch
and
of shorts
two, I think.
for some really garbage Netflix anthologies.
I
Like
mean,
the
not his
anthologies
work
are
wasn't.
anthologies are
What
garbage. His work is
is that?
very
That
good.
Ankahi Bate, some bullshit
Yes,
name
yes.
was up there. हाँ, 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 हाँ.
Unkahi something.
Have you
Yes.
seen
Yeah,
his
yeah.
his
No, no, I
segment?
haven't. I've heard it's
No,
very
no,
good,
no,
right? You said
no,
it's
no.
very
It's
I've
very
good.
heard it's
nice.
great.
It's called
Yeah.
Madhyantar.
Yeah.
It's a love story set inside like very I think 90s and somewhere in like a single screen between this
हाँ.
projectionist, or
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember if it was a projectionist or someone who maintained the theater, and
Mm.
this one girl who wants to watch films. It's a very nice short
Sure.
film.
I mean, his Ray
I
one
think
was also pretty good. I mean, that's the only one I
His
remember.
Ray1
yes,
was
So
Drama
fantastic.
Kyun Hai
yeah,
Barpa.
It's
yeah,
brilliant. It
We've
was
discussed that on
brilliant.
the podcast as well,
yeah.
like how much
Mhm.
we've liked it.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So
Dhruv, go
no, so
ahead.
I mean, yeah, I think expectations were anyways high. I always
Hmm.
feel I'm the absolute target audience for the whole Vishal Bhardwaj and his style of sense of humor. I think I've always clicked with
Hmm.
it. I've never it's easy for me to get into his worlds of whatever the crime comedy, and because you said
Hmm.
Owen's Shakespeare and I think there's a melange of stuff going on here also. Khichdi, melange, जो भी आपको बोलना है, like that way.
Menage a
And
trois.
I mean,
जो भी हो.
Amartya is coming up with the French stuff here, which is,
Yes.
yes. But
Continuation from Merry Christmas.
yeah.
Yep.
But no, I think my initial thoughts, I think, are just disappointment. I feel like I
Okay.
was never. There were
No, wait,
brief
massively
moments.
disappointment or
No,
you
like
know,
significant, like quite
I'm
disappointed.
asking
Just
on a scale of 1 to 10.
disappointment.
Mm-hmm. 10
Overall
being the
Disappointment
most,
is
1
eight.
being the less.
Disappointment is 8. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
a
but
lot.
disappointment is there. No, like disappointment is there. That doesn't mean the show is quote and like totally bad. Like I don't say that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying
Mm-hmm.
that
Mm-hmm.
uh I was I think I wrote about this also a little bit that I was
Mm-hmm.
trying to convince myself a lot to like the show. Like, he
Mm-hmm.
is one of those directors who I do like to that extent that I know that I was actively trying to get into the show again and again. And there were brief moments where I thought this clicks and now we will be like, consistently
Okay.
engaging, etc., etc. But I
Mm-hmm.
felt uh, just it never grabbed me on a consistent level, and it sort of
Eh,
just petered out for me. And then even though the last episode I think is actually has strong moments in it,
yeah.
um
Yeah.
the only thing I will take away from the show, like definitely take away, is Konkona Sen Sharma, who I think is
Wait,
fantastic in
I
this.
have a question though. Like
Yeah.
briefly, just tell me, would you boil down to the writing
Boil down for
not
number
working for
one.
you? Yeah, first part of the day.
First
Night,
one.
whatever.
Yeah.
Boil it down to the writing or the direction, particularly
Yeah.
for something that
So
you didn't
no,
appreciate.
I think I think that's a great point to bring up, just because I think the writing and direction for me are in sync, which doesn't mean, that the material is something else and the direction is something else. I think they are
Ah.
in sync, and
Mm-hmm.
I just don't care about the writing that much, I think. And I think and I think there's this
Okay.
whole notion, and I think mentioned it to you on message, that I
Mm-hmm.
feel the show treats its characters too much as the, chess pieces to move around. I know there's
Mm-hmm.
lots of overhead shots,
Mm-hmm.
remember where they are
Yeah.
moving around in like this through the by like almost zigzaggy sort of
Yeah.
roads of
Yeah. Roads.
Manjor. I think
Yeah.
I was just thinking that um, I wish the show cared or made me care about certain characters much more. And the
Mm.
closest it comes to me for me is the Konkana Sen Sharma character. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and I think the rest I think is, and again I think just to sort of cap off the all the initial thoughts in that sense, it's just that I wouldn't mind it being sort of empty pleasured also if I liked the empty pleasures themselves, if that makes
Got it.
sense. So
Mm-hmm.
if, for example, I think me and Amartya were slightly discussing, so something like, coin, if we are bringing in coins already, I think you can see a Coen brothers work which is very scattered and very, it is set
Yeah.
piece by set piece. It's almost like vignetted. Hail
Yes.
Caesar for an example.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
brother, where art thou, for that matter?
So even
Yeah.
though the narrative itself is whatever slightly, it doesn't cohere in one sense, I love the individual bits a lot. So, I sort
Mm.
of, that is something I didn't really like or connect with here, which I think is a bigger, it is also to personal taste, I suppose, but then I also think this is my taste. Like that's the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, more
Okay.
positive
Yeah.
thoughts from Shrilekha.
Srilekha. Mm-hmm.
All right. So the first thing is I agree that the show has some loopholes, especially I have special like issues with the resolution offered to the character of Swati, played by Konkona. So
Yeah.
I expected a bit better. But
Okay.
keeping aside everything and keeping aside the loopholes and everything, what I liked about is, of course, Konkona Sen Sharma back after 89. She's back again in yet another negative role, and she has excelled. And I
Mm-hmm.
mostly like the way how Chaube uses Shakespeare a lot in Killer Soup, but he also subverts Shakespearean tropes in a
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
And that I will be telling, like how he does that, like how according to me he did that, and that was sketchy. Though it's a bit slow, I agree. The show is slow and it's dragging. But then there was always this, for me, there was always this gripping suspense. Like, though I knew that who are the killers, like there was no suspense element. Like we
It's not
already
a
know from the
whodunit,
beginning.
no. It's
Yes,
the yeah.
there's no suspense or whodunit element. We already know, like, who are the criminals. But I was
The Hitchcock
always,
bomb theory.
Yeah, it's like if they will get
Yeah.
away or not, right? Sort of
yeah,
basically like that.
if
Yeah,
they
yeah.
will get away or not. So that intrigue kept me
Sure.
watching it. Like, what will happen to the characters who are guilty? Will
Yeah.
they face the consequences?
Mhm.
Or what end will be given to them? And actually, I liked it, the way it ended. And the way the ending scene, I specifically enjoyed watching
Sure.
it. So on a rate of 1 to 10, it's 8 for me. I would rate it 8.
Okay.
Not 10
Okay.
upon 10, but 8. Yeah.
Amartya? Oh, by the way, Shilaka, you gave a spoiler for Ekti Diana. Never mind. What
Oh,
Concana?
Oh.
Never
I don't
mind.
think anyone. I don't think a lot of people.
I
care about
remember
it.
her being like terrifying in that film.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm
Yeah,
joking.
yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah.
Amartya.
are we not allowed to give spoilers, or we have to
For
like
Ek
speak
Thi
like
Diane.
No,
No, you
no.
can. He's just kidding.
Just
Like,
joking.
You
Yeah,
can.
yeah.
You can. You
Oh,
can.
okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
yeah. Amartya.
Killer Soap. Killer Soap is the one TV show when I started, I legit wanted to give up after the 4th episode. It doesn't happen with me.
Yeah,
And
you watch a lot.
Yes,
Yeah.
I watch a lot. I am forced to watch a lot. Circumstances, money, lots of things come into play for that. But it
Podcast.
doesn't happen with me. Yes, it doesn't happen with me. In the 4th episode, I realize maybe it is because I did not have any external pressure, that for some reason I had freedom to choose. But again, because it is Abhishek Chaubey, because I think Sonchiriya is a legit masterpiece, I thought, let's stick to it, even though I think that the anti-Shakespeare, the anti-Macbethian of it all is a thing that tired itself out really quickly. But I thought, okay, I'll stick with it. But what I realized is that there is black comedy, there is not taking yourself too seriously, and then there is, introducing elements and being weird just for the sake of being weird. And it's not just because the world you're introducing has the caveat that you can introduce weird elements. It's just it's again I'm bringing up a word which I use all the time. It's the verisimilitude of it all. It's the reality which you are creating within the boundary of the story, and it's convincing me whether I should give two shits about that reality.
Yeah.
And honestly, after a point, I did not, which is saddening to me, because from an objective standpoint, I can see callbacks. I can see how story threads introduced in the first episode, or thrown away moment, like somebody practicing Kalayapattu gets introduced in the final episode in a hilarious manner. All those stuff, all those moments, I realize from an objective standpoint is, great. But by that point, I really, really, really did not care. And it's just the performances which kept me going, especially Konkona Sen Sharma. Sayaji Shinde is terrific in this. I'm so glad that he got a major role. And Manoj Bajpayee, we will get to Manoj Bajpayee. But overall the performances truly carried me. But this is one show I can't say I cared much for at all.
One quick question, and you
Yeah.
can answer this briefly. If you do you think if it was compressed into a shorter, like lesser number of episodes,
Yes,
this
I
would have
think so.
okay.
I think so. I think so. I think
Okay.
8 episodes. I think 8 episodes means that you're lingering far too much, right?
Mhm.
Your
It
suspension
became
of
a little
disbelief
tiring for
can
you.
suspension of disbelief can only last for so long before you suddenly start to realize, okay, I get it, move on. Okay, I get it, move
Huh.
on. That's a problem.
Sanjeet,
Okay.
more positivity.
More positivity. So I think I am coming on the back of watching a lot of Indian shows in the last one and a half month,
Hmm.
because we did one best of the year list, Amartya and I did,
Oh yes,
and
yeah. Hmm. You
Hmm.
so
binged,
I
right?
had
A lot of
crammed in a
the.
lot of
Hmm.
crammed in a lot of shows which weren't particularly uh, good, let's say, and
Yes.
some of them, and there's also something about this whole trope of Indian televisions being in a certain way, uh, the kind of downfall they are showing, the kind of, like, it's becoming a little too generic as a style
Hmm.
now.
Hmm.
And I think when I watch Killer Soup, it is breaking away, even though it is purposeful. For me, that purposeness is like, it's working as like a whole.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
the idea of mix. I mean, I like the genre. We've spoken about how much we've all liked Chaube's filmography. I think particularly Sonchiriya, which I think is my favorite of his filmography in
But this
particular.
is not. But Sonchiri is far seriouser. Like it's a far more serious film,
100%.
right?
I'm saying the sensibility of the filmmaker
Yeah.
still never goes, right? You
No,
know
but this is
someone who can
closer.
direct a particular
Isn't it
sequence.
closer in spirit to the Ishqiya films,
Is
at
this
least in
his
terms of the
Matru?
tone?
Yeah.
Is this
I
Yeah,
his
like
like
Matru?
Matru.
Matru.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Matru is
Yeah.
also co-written by him and with
Oh, is
Bhanumali,
it?
right?
Okay, okay.
I think
Hmm.
so. I
Even
think so.
Omkara.
Omkara, yes,
Omkara.
of
Omkara's
course.
Yeah.
co-written by
Yes.
Abhishek Chaubey.
Yeah.
I thought okay.
And
Yes,
I
even
thought he
yes.
just
Kamine.
AD'd. Okay.
Even
Kamine was
Kamine.
Kamine.
co-written by him. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, even
Okay.
Yeah.
Omkara as well.
I could be
Hmm.
then wrong about Matru, possibly. But my point is, this guy's sensibilities are closer to what Bharadwaj. I mean, this is his
Mm-hmm.
voice. This is something we've seen him do well. Uh,
Hmm.
and I feel, uh, barring the genre, I feel it's the tone which really took me on board.
Hmm.
Like the
Hmm.
tone is something else. Like, in terms of just when you're in it, and when things start happening, like the way, like, it takes 5-10 minutes to just really understand what these characters are doing. It takes 10 minutes.
It
Like,
begins
you
very
see,
strangely only. Like there are so many
very
establishing
strangely.
shots. I was like, how
Yeah.
many
Yeah,
establishing shots do you need for this
there are
show to
3-4 of
start?
them. I think two of
Yeah.
them do come in picture, right? The later,
Hmm.
which we'll
Yes.
discuss.
Yeah.
Uh, but my point is the whole idea of a lot of pop culture elements that were mixing in with the black comedy elements, the Coen-esque storyline, accidental deaths that happened. I think that's not a spoiler, but yeah.
Yeah.
uh, so I think those as elements work really well for me.
Hmm.
There's also the whole, which Srilekha also mentioned, the slightly anti-Shakespeare or Shakespearean, or subverting Shakespearean tropes element that really works as a story. you
Mm-hmm.
know
Hmm.
and I do get it. It does get a little tiring in the middle. uh, I probably remember lesser elements from 6th, 7th episodes. uh,
Hmm.
but I
Sixth,
think
seventh
the
May, I
first,
think sixth, seventh is more to do with it becomes
Sixth,
actually
seventh is the
seriouser
fallout.
then. Yeah,
Sixth,
it
seventh
Fallout,
is
becomes
the
yes,
slightly
fallout. Yeah.
seriouser then. And
yes.
yeah.
And although I do not like breaking, like, I don't know, I think that it's a fundamental problem with me, that I cannot break down per episode and say, okay, I like this and I don't like this,
Hmm.
Hmm.
because I'm looking at a show as like one whole thing. So
Singular whole. Yeah.
it is a little
Yeah.
difficult for me. So how I can tell you is the story sags in those episodes,
Hmm.
and it is losing its grip, and it is quite visible with
Hmm.
where it is going with the characters and screenplay. I agree with that.
Hmm.
But I think I can give him this much of leverage when I am really being entertained, because
Hmm.
even the screwball elements are working for me with
Hmm.
Konkana, and some things like a little bit the surreal bits also, the slapstick bits also, where you see when some during one of the rides on one of the on by Konkana, she breaks, and at a certain point you see Manoj
Oh yeah,
Bajpayee
his
like
leg is
upside
up,
down.
upward, upside down.
Yeah,
He
I think
basically,
that's second
yeah.
episode only.
Which
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
favorite episode. But okay, anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
I like these kind of elements, like, which is taking you on board. These are just very simple elements, but they are being written down for a reason, and they're working for, at least for me.
Mhm.
So yeah, these are my initial thoughts. But
Yeah,
uh,
that was the civil side of our discussion. Now to the uncivil side.
Why
I
No,
was
are
I'm
you
very
looking
kidding.
at me
disappointed
when
Dhruv
you
didn't
say
like it,
uncivil?
honestly.
Yeah,
I was very
Sanjeet messaged me saying Sanjeet had that, when he messaged me, I told him I didn't really like it that much. He was like, he had that why have,
passive
like,
aggressive.
he didn't say passive aggressive way of being like, but why? Like, I was like, अरे नहीं अच्छा लगा यार, कोशिश की अच्छा लगने की, मुझे नहीं
No, no,
अच्छा
no.
लगा.
I've always been like, okay, choice always matters, at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
If
It's
talking
always
objectively about films, shows, or whatever.
Yeah, of
But there is
course.
something like this is something I don't know. I wanted people to like. I want people to like this show. I don't know for some reason. Maybe it is coming. I'm coming off the back of watching so many other shows which were really mediocre in what they really were. Even the genesis of an idea, they're just not working out,
I mean,
and
but
still they are being made.
In the Indian space, you
I
aren't
am
going to
the
see something
bias
like this.
and like
So,
because there was too much Shakespeare in it. Typical.
Hmm.
I told Dhruv
Listen,
because
considering that, I mean, surreal or even meta story or any sort of a story breaking from a conventional narrative,
hmm,
there aren't many such stuff in the Indian,
yeah.
television long form entertainment scape or even short
Mhm.
form to a certain extent. Like,
Hmm.
uh, again, my favorite movie of this year is a Bengali movie. Shocking at this point.
अभी तो चालू
It
हुआ है सर,
oh
साल
you
15
Chalu
दिन
bhai
हुए
here,
हैं.
sir. It's not even been 30
yeah,
days.
it's still
oh
boggling me. It's
you
still
asked me to
boggling me.
watch it. That Paran
Yeah,
Bandyopadhyay film
yeah,
and
yeah,
Abhi
yeah,
Chatterjee film.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
सर
yeah.
yes.
आपके
It's
अंदर
boggling.
बंगालीनेस जाग उठी है essentially.
कुछ जाग नहीं उठी है, ठीक है.
पेट्रियोटिज्म जाग उठी आज इस बार फाइटर भी पसंद आ जाएगी मुझे लग रहा
This is
है
regionalism. This is not even patriotism. This is regionalism.
Regionalism.
This is what everybody wants people about.
Yeah.
Fine,
No,
fair
but
नहीं,
all
enough.
I'm saying is that movie also
So
has a
disappointing.
healthy amount of all sorts of surrealism and meta commentary and all
Hmm.
that stuff. But
I mean, even
you know,
even the other film you liked last year, Hostel,
गुरु
yeah,
HHB.
का
yeah,
रूप
yeah.
देखा किधर है
Yes.
HHB, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So all of yeah, don't
Yes, yes.
yeah, don't bastardize that name. जो भी
Yeah.
हो. But the point being कि I can understand where Sanjit is coming from, that we should, because it's a form of support, because we don't have the luxury or the freedom that
Hmm.
studios will greenlight shit like this and we will be able to see this. We
Yeah.
don't have that luxury. So if
Yeah.
people like it, that is good. The problem is, Sanjit, that, कितना देर तक we can give concession. मतलब मैं भी तो
That
viewer
was the
हूँ.
same. No, that was the same thing. Let you go. And we are discussing spoilers from here on, just for
Yeah, yeah. I was
whoever's
going to give that
listening.
one
So,
too.
No, I'm just saying
uh,
that I get where Sanjit is actually coming from. I am also saying that I also wanted to like this show.
Hmm.
That's yeah.
No, because I
Unlike
know
my
you didn't like it. I
yeah.
somehow wanted Dhruv to like it. I
Yes.
am telling you, I was a little pissed
listen,
because Dhruv didn't like it.
I
And that has
thought
never
I will
happened.
like it. I thought
That has
I will
never
like
happened.
it.
Me not liking is perfectly fine because I did not like Bardo either. I am not the person who likes this
No,
sort of
that's
stuff
okay.
anyway.
And we've had civil discussions. We've had
Yes.
just generally. I don't know, for some reason I wanted. Maybe, I don't know.
No,
No, but
that's what I'm
I
telling you. That's what I'm
sorry,
telling
sorry.
you. I think one of the reasons why you wanted people to like it more is because we want more such content to come out.
Yeah.
Possibly. Yeah,
Authors
yeah,
like
of
this,
course.
authors like this with the distinctive voice need to bring
Yeah.
stories like this
Yeah.
I
out
mean,
because
but the thing is,
yeah.
we've had autos like Bhardwaj not working out with Charlie Chopra either, right?
Yes,
So
You guys
exactly.
saw
when
that and
something
didn't
like
like it, right? So yeah, I
yeah,
At
I
feel what you're
all.
mean,
saying. Yeah.
that was disappointing, at least for me,
Okay.
Yeah,
because I was
at
like,
all.
this is just downright, when you're
Bland.
when you're
This
a
is
person, okay,
downright bland. Yeah.
He's too busy,
Then
Sanjeet.
Khufia.
You know doing what, unfortunately.
You all liked
like,
Khufia? Like you all loved Khufia?
I love
I like
Khufia.
Khufia.
These two did not.
I
No,
These
I
two
I
like
like
it.
idiots.
I
Khufia.
don't love it.
I like
Yes.
Khufia. What do you mean?
like
These two
it.
are
I
idiots. I was
wait.
considering putting it in my top 5, and Sanjeet gave me a horrible look of like,
I
are you
It's
liked
mad?
Khufia, but I didn't
not
love
top
it,
5.
honestly. I liked
Same.
it,
I
but
didn't love
like
it.
it.
I didn't love it. Oh,
But
you
see,
didn't like it only.
no,
I loved it.
I like it.
Like it. Like it,
One of
but
my
not like.
funniest moments of the year is from that movie only, which is a different case or whatever it is.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
Yeah, that is hilarious. That moment is
anyways, no.
hilarious.
But I'm happy to say almost that, not happy actually. I'm not happy to say this, but I'm guilty enough to say that actually I have a fair amount of bias for Vishal Bhardwaj and Abhishek Chaubey and just that brand of, because I
Yeah.
connect
Mhm.
with the way
Mhm.
their characters.
Yes.
I mean, the Ishqiya movies are very much more poetic in the way they are expressing a lot of things, right? They are
Yeah.
supposed to be all sometimes
Their
badly
characters.
poetic, sometimes really well,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
good poetics and whatever. Yeah.
Their
So
characters are rooted. Their characters are rooted without their rootedness and their love for literature coming off as pretentious. Get my point? They
hmm,
become natural.
Yeah,
They are very
yeah, yeah.
naturalistic to a certain extent. I
yeah.
mean, that's how he writes them.
Hmm.
Both
I
Chaube as well as Bharadwaj.
coming to Soup, I have a question to Amartya first. Like, I
Hmm.
remember the first few things that you messaged, at least on the group, was it is too scattered. So I want to know a little bit about what you all think about the plot and how the plot progression and the narrative is kind of working out, because I think a lot of flaws in from whatever you guys have pointed out kind of lie there, right? Like Dhruv also mentioned that it's the writing which sort of needed to be a little more innovative. Is that what you were looking for,
No,
please?
I honestly wanted more
I don't
coherence.
think innovation is the problem. I don't think innovation is the problem. I think enough innovation and subversion is done in the narrative anyway. I I think I think it's a sprawl. The plot overall is a sprawl. It's like it's
Because
too
there are
much of a
multiple
sprawl.
subplots,
Yeah,
right?
But
yeah,
see,
yeah,
I
yeah.
think the weird thing about the show, and you and Srileka can of course counter this. I think one of the weird things about the show for me is that it is simultaneously too long, but I still don't have enough. I still don't get enough of the characters' actual, meat almost.
For which
I
character?
always, for almost all,
Character.
I never felt like I got like
But
underneath
you
their
didn't feel like
skin.
Konkana's character was the person who's oppressed by her husband in a certain way,
I
and
got
she's the
that.
one who's looking for power, right? So it
Yes,
doesn't it kind of
with
also.
her, it is that's the closest the series gets to, in terms of. But I still think there are elements where I was like, there's this moment in one of the episodes. I think it's episode 4 or 5 where uh, they have her and Umesh have a big argument, uh, right? And I thought the argument itself was very good. This is after I think it is revealed that her husband was scamming her essentially by taking out loans on her name.
Taking a loans at her
Uh,
name, loans on her
yeah.
name. Yeah.
So and then I
Huh.
think the son reveals to Umesh that you've always she's always been treated really badly by everyone in that.
Yeah,
But I
even
that
Arvind
that
and all that.
but
But
that
yeah,
darkness almost never seeps in. Like in the last episode when Konkana is saying it on the stage, I was like, okay, I'm feeling it now. That was one of the few moments where I was like, I
See,
get your,
Yeah, yeah.
internal uh, turmoil, essentially, of
See,
yeah.
incompetent Lady Macbeth is a concept I admire. Okay, incompetent
yeah,
Lady Macbeth. That's a great
yes,
pitch.
the
Mm,
great
That's a great pitch. Yeah,
terminology. Huh?
mm.
yeah. That's a great pitch. But I never saw the Lady Macbeth aspect of it too much, even though I could see that the show is framing her to be the Lady Macbeth. The incompetence part I got flat. The
Mm.
joke of it is the fact that she's incompetent.
Everyone is a little bit na buffoonry. Like
Yes,
it's very
everyone is.
that is the
So that
Buffoonery
is
is
the
coyness
there.
loony
element
bit,
of it.
right?
That's the
It's the
coyness
loony
Yeah.
element
bit.
of it, very
Like
much.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
Sayaji
that
yeah.
Shinde's character is, there's so what I really liked, like
Sayaji
someone like
Shinde is basically Yosemite Sam from Looney Tunes. Sayaji Shinde is basically Yosemite Sam. He's like red beard and all, gun de do, goli maar do,
yeah,
exit
he's
board.
just shooting around there. So that's
Yes,
so
yes.
I was like, this guy is a
Joe
buffoon, but he's
Pesci
also
from Goodfellas. Shaji
Yes,
Shinde
yes.
is
kind
Joe
of.
Pesci
yeah,
from
Yeah.
Goodfellas.
Yes, yes.
I mean, you
yeah.
can see that kind of bumbling energy in that sense. But I liked how there's also that bit with his wife who looks like his daughter, and there's a slight humanist touch
Mm-hmm.
to his character, and I
Mhm.
like. So okay,
So no,
you're
that's a
talking
great
about
point
plot.
that's a great point you've brought.
Okay.
Take that scene. I think again, this is where I think you've let me you've allowed actually me to sort of pinpoint what the issue is
Hmm. Hmm.
sometimes. I
Hmm.
wanted to feel uncomfortable while slightly laughing when he saw his daughter and mother alike, almost, right? It's a moment which can be darkly comedic, but I found it not so much comedic. And honestly, the darkness to didn't come only, which is the big problem, I think. Like, I wanted it to feel darkly comedic. The
Hmm.
darkness only sort of got undercut in the way,
That scene, I think,
the
is
show
constructed as more
treats.
emotional. That scene is constructed to be
Really?
more emotional.
Okay, I didn't. Okay,
I think
okay,
so. I think the
okay.
scene is constructed to be more emotional when it suddenly becomes like, isn't he the one who says that, he was, I think, feigning remorse
Hmm.
Hmm.
for his wife, He's like flashing by, and he can't understand whether it's his wife or his daughter who is sitting there. It's also that ambiguity whether that is actually his daughter, which is again another
No, it's
weird
not an
thing which comes out
ambiguity.
of
It's
nowhere.
clear it's not his daughter, no?
Yeah, yeah. Which is again a weird addition out of
It
nowhere.
is
It's like
Also, a very
yeah.
sloppy resolution, I think.
Lal's
Yes.
I
daughter,
didn't
right?
buy the, yeah.
What is
Yeah, yeah,
what
yeah.
is that character's
Lucas.
name?
Lucas.
Lucas'
Uh,
daughter, right? It's pretty obvious.
Apeksha is the
Apeksha is the
character
daughter.
name,
No, no,
Lucas
no.
is
daughter's
the
name.
bodyguard.
Lucas is, yes,
Lucas,
yes,
the
yes, yes.
mama,
Yeah, it's
right?
her,
It's
he's
clear.
her daughter only. वो तो,
His,
so Konkona says
his daughter.
no in the episode where she's taunting,
Yeah,
telling
yeah.
him ki, do you want me to reveal what
Yeah.
actually what secrets you have buried?
I mean, it's never
Essentially.
said word by word, right? I mean, it's just.
No, but like the resolution is like
I
that
mean, it's
only. You don't
nudged a
know.
couple of times, so I get it. It's
Those
a
I
little
still
bit
that I
point.
still liked in a show that I still liked in a show in which comedy is so hard that it's basically like somebody overflowing the cookie jar with all of the ingredients outside. It's like at least there is restraint over there to a certain degree. That's good.
Restraint, but I don't know, yeah. Like you guys can please take over after this. I know
Yeah,
we
yeah,
have sort
yeah.
of bombarded it
Yeah.
with criticisms.
No, no,
No,
carry
but
on.
I want
no,
to hear
no.
the good parts. I want to hear
Uh-huh.
the good parts. Yeah.
No,
Srilekha, you
my
go.
uh, go.
Hmm. Go. The floor is yours.
No, what do you like? I mean,
Yeah.
I'm there to support. Don't worry.
Oh, you all are asking me? I thought the
Yes.
conversation.
Okay.
All right. So, basically, I'm a literature student, you all
Mm,
know. So I have special affection towards William Shakespeare.
mm,
And I find Chobe using a lot of Shakespearean tropes. So, number one, he, like Shakespeare, kind of defies the Aristotelian unity. So, Aristotle
mm,
was you all know, was a great Greek philosopher, and he basically had three kinds of unities, and
mm,
the unity of place, unity of time, unity of action.
mm,
So
Hmm.
Shakespeare most of the times flouted the unity of time and the unity of action, but
mm.
unity of place is being maintained, and here also unity of place Chobe maintains, because the whole film takes place in the fictional town of Manjur, like
Hmm.
yeah, Manjur,
But
yes.
इसमें भी है
So
ना,
number one,
Srilekha, isn't there a slightly not spiritual, sorry, or supernatural element to the whole
yeah, I'm coming to that.
We will
Coming
get
to
there.
that.
Oh, we will get
Coming to
there.
that. Next, number
I am ready
two.
my guns for that one.
All
Srilekha,
right.
go
Number
ahead.
two.
Yeah.
Yes. Number two is, as rightly mentioned, the supernatural element or the kind of apparitions or whatever is there in
Mhm.
Shakespeare. So here we see it through the character of Asai Thupalli, or the subordinate inspector
Great
of Inspector
actor,
Hassan.
by the way. Great
Great
actor.
Yeah.
actor.
Yes.
Mm,
Yes.
Yeah.
Inspector Hassan,
mm,
who
And
kind of maybe we don't know, maybe it might be so in Shakespeare we often see that these kind of apparitions or supernatural elements are often figments of characters' imagination,
mm.
whom they're
grief
seeing,
and
or yes, or
guilt.
guilt
And,
as
yeah.
symbols of guilt. And
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
also
We-
it might be helping in supernatural way, but it also might be Hassan's kind of figment of imagination. So there's this ambiguity that lies there. And the third part where kind of Chobe subverts is I feel he integrates both the characteristics of Macbeth and Lady Macbeth in Swati. So for me, Manoj Bajpayee's character Umesh can never be Lady Macbeth. I don't find him to be like Lady Macbeth or Macbeth.
Sure, it's not
in
switching. It's
yourself.
a, but he's more like a buff. He becomes a side character only, no, at certain points.
He
I think
becomes
so.
he
He
becomes
becomes powerless, basically, right?
He is always
becomes
powerless.
powerless.
Umesh to bichara.
Yeah, but then
He's
it is the
powerless,
whole
so
idea, right? Someone who
yeah.
look alike, and it's like the whole identity thing that is happening, right?
No, there's
Because you're
Manoj,
kind of
one really fascinating thing happening with that, and I again wish the
total
show sort of pressed
total
more towards it. But go ahead, yeah.
antithesis.
Yeah.
Like coming
No,
to
but I was saying
Umesh.
I was saying with respect to sort of the Manoj Bajpayee character, there's this whole idea that Umesh is consistently flipping between Umesh and Prabhakar. So whatever they in the interview, I think they mentioned Parmesh. They've coined him
which is the
as
third
like third
iteration.
essentially, which I
Third.
thought was a very interesting touch, like how he
Yeah.
sort of juggles those two, and I kind of actually liked some moments with him and Kirtika in the show. Like I liked
Kritima.
Kirtima, sorry, Kirtika,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think that was sort of interesting to me, and the way he flip-flops between those two identities, I was like, I don't mind if the show sort of,
It's
pressed more in this direction
it's
only.
not even he's flip-flopping, right? It's like it almost feels like, Konkona basically swapping him for a version of her husband which
Yeah.
Yes.
doesn't exist anymore.
So I
That
Yeah.
is why,
feel,
yeah.
Hmm.
yeah.
Continue then, Will. Continue.
Carry on. After
नहीं
I
नहीं हम
finish,
लोग तो
then
बोलते रहेंगे श्रीलका, you say.
Ha.
yeah.
If you let us go on, we will start going on, and that won't be good anyway. Go.
All right. So as I was saying, Chaube, I feel in this manner he integrates both the characteristics of Macbeth and Lady Macbeth in Swati, which I
Hmm.
find is very fascinating
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
we see that Swati is the only character who has kind of vaulting ambition, because from the beginning she wants to open her own restaurant in her husband's hotel,
Hmm.
and
Not Apeksha?
he Apeksha
Oh, we will
Apeksha
get there. Oh,
Paris,
we will get there.
Paris, Italy,
Appu
wherever.
Shetty.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Paris.
Hmm.
yeah, but then she doesn't kind of involves in kind of treacherous or dark activities, like, or she doesn't go out of
Hmm.
her way for fulfilling her
Hmm.
ambitions.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in that manner, we can see kind of Swati as a tragic hero whose hamartia kind of lies in her vaulting ambition. We can say that. So I see that rather in that manner. But and Chobe in a way kind of subverts gender, and there is valid reason, because we see that she's oppressed, like the way she's treated by her
Hmm.
household. She's a victim of domestic violence. So she wants
Yes.
to have her own like financial independence or economic self-sufficiency in that manner, and it is justifiable, but still the means she achieves is not justifiable, and therefore not
I
downfall,
तो
but
didn't
then
even mind the means, huh? I was like, you get away with it. You get away with all this. Because I
yeah,
was like,
but
all of the deaths are accidental in any case, no? So, which she mentions, which I'm like, yeah,
I
what
mean,
did she
it's
do?
circumstances, right?
and
Circumstances are the killer.
Yeah.
And what I like also about like the acid attack, so Chaube here also plays this kind of gender subversion. So the acid attack is being
Yeah.
shown on a
Interesting.
male and
Yeah,
not
yeah.
on
That's
a
Yeah, yeah.
female.
interesting.
Yeah, so it's on Manoj Bajpayee's character. We see his half-burnt face in acid. So that I found pretty interesting. So he's subverting the gender narrative in this manner. But what I found problematic is that, like, the basic problem for me, that the resolution that is being offered to Konkona's character, that is Swati, like, she is doing so many things. Like, if you was really subverting gender stereotype in a movie, then why are you giving the resolution you're giving to that character? Like, she's not getting in any way. In the end, she's not achieving whatever she's willing to achieve. Like the woman empowerment, if you are doing, it's half-hearted in a way. But then it's also just
Okay, go ahead. Sorry, complete. Sorry, I'll counter that a little bit. Never mind. Yeah.
yeah. But then I understand, like, you can't glorify a character like that. So she's a complete dark character. So it will
Yeah, we
be
are not
kind
animals.
of yeah, exactly. So it's immoral to glorify somebody like her and kind of show her like she has achieved also despite doing such things. So
No one
justice
is
has to be
moral in
there.
this
Like,
world, no, except for poor little Sandy. Or Sandy is his name, right?
Even he's not
Sandesh
that moral.
Shetty.
क्यों क्या
Even
करता
he's
है
not
वो
that
बेचारा?
moral.
and also
He's
one more thing
creepy.
which I like are the death sequences. So in Shakespeare, mostly we see that Macbeth, like if I come to Macbeth, like mostly he's killing. Like he's killing people, or he's killing all his adversaries who are coming in the
Yep.
way. But here, none of the characters are actually killed. They are forced into certain circumstances where they cannot escape death.
Yeah.
So it's kind of predestination versus free will is going on. It's being
और
brought here.
फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन को बुला रहा है इस मूवी में, इन शेक्सपियर फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन का एक्सीडेंटल डेथ्स बुला के.
I mean, some of them were funny. I mean, not fun. I mean, Thupalli was. I really liked Thupalli, so I was disappointed
Thupalli
that
was
he got
tragic.
shot.
Character.
Yeah.
Kirtimas was funny. Kirtimas was
Kirtimas was
Because he
funny.
solved the case too quickly, na? That's the
Yeah.
If
And
Tupalli
then
was
there
alive,
was
he would have solved the case even faster.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
And
would
there
have
was
seen the show end
also-
quicker also.
There were also literary references, like there were references of magic realism where the fireflies are guiding Hassan in the
Yeah, yeah.
forest. So
Twin
that is
Peaks, as I like to
and
call
if
it.
you
Yes.
see the setting of the entire
Yeah.
Mainjur, so there is no sunlight or sunshine. It's very bleak and cloudy most of the time.
Cloudy.
And the
Yes.
Yes, and the only source of light are those fireflies only at night, and they are the source of guiding light, guiding Hassan, along with quotes from Proust, Frost, and Dickinson. So poetic
Dickinson.
also. So in a poetic manner, Thupalli is aiding his kind of senior to solve the case. So I like these aspects, but that was the problematic aspect for me, like the
Got it.
resolution offered to both especially to Konkona's character.
Sure. Sanjeet, you, I
Yeah.
think, build on this because Amartya and me, I know, have a lot of ammunition already built because we have discussed
No,
this.
please go ahead. No,
No,
मेरा
no,
तो
no,
you go,
shotgun
you
ready
go.
है.
नहीं,
मेरा तो
बोल,
shotgun
please,
ready है.
Sanjeet, you go ahead
No,
first.
I think how apart from whatever Shileka's already
Hmm.
mentioned,
Hmm.
I liked, yeah, like I think the way it kind of ends. Okay,
Hmm.
I'm not okay. I would slightly agree with yes, it doesn't really give a proper resolution because I think it the whole bit becomes a little awkward, but it also is anxiety inducing. I think that was the whole intent of that sequence at the party where
Which one? The last one, last
Yeah,
sequence.
yeah.
at the
That
party.
sequence is good. I like the
Yeah, that
party
sequence
wala
is quite
sequence.
good.
Also, I
Huh.
don't know, if that was an alternate parallel that is open to interpretation. Like maybe that in a parallel world they're going together, or
Oh, no, that's
it was
death.
kind.
That's
Yeah,
death.
that is death. Yeah.
Thupalli is
That's death.
sitting on top of the
Thupalli
bar
is
seat. That is
sitting
not
up.
death.
No,
What
no,
else is?
not Thupalli. The Manoj Bajpayee and Konkona Shins. So Thupalli dies kind of
Disappearance.
yeah, Thupalli kind of dies, falling or like falls in the same
Like his
pit
body is
in.
found.
Yeah, but then with Konkona's character, I don't know if it's kind of
But they
resolution given
say,
in a.
no, that there's a monster in the water or whatever there is. जिसने
They
खा
do?
लिया होगा. Don't they say it at one point when
No.
Thupalli is there in the water? Yeah, don't they begin with the kids who are fighting amongst each other कि
Yeah.
Oh
यहाँ पे
Yeah.
वो है
That's
वो
the
है
beginning of the
जो
third
भी है.
episode. Yeah.
हाँ, तो वही
Hmm.
मैं कह रही हूँ. So Thupalli, when he falls in the water and he dies, his body is found. So he actually dies. So it's difficult. So technically or like realistically, if we think it's not possible to survive if one falls in that like deep shit of water, it's really lot. Like
Yeah.
deep, it's really deep. And Thupalli dies, the character dies after falling. So Konkona's survival also in the end feels shady to me. I don't know if it's
नहीं,
she
वो
didn't
तो
survive.
ambiguous. It's like I don't think I think the last
She
scene
didn't
is
survive.
basically like it's a whatever afterlife or whatever it is like of them.
Yeah,
on the bus.
that's what I'm telling.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
Yeah,
telling.
yeah,
It's afterlife only.
Hmm.
Yeah. No, but that I
No,
didn't
but I
mind.
I liked
didn't
how
mind.
even in that bit in that sequence where uh, Hassan and his subordinate they're not letting Konkona run away, and she's running on one end and there's Hassan standing and he doesn't let her pass, and
Yeah.
on the other end, but on the other two sides nobody's standing and she runs
Nobody
from
is
the
there.
other side.
Yes.
I like
Yeah.
those kind of bits. Like
That
I,
bit,
Also,
yeah, I
I like the
agree.
character
Yeah.
of Khansama because Khansama resembled like a witch
Which
from the Macbeth.
yeah.
Yes. The
What
broad,
Mehrunuma
she's
or whatever
cooking or
the
yeah,
Mehrunama.
Khansama.
जो भी नाम था,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that witch bit and all those Macbeth bits, of course. But I think at the end, there's that line by Tupalli, right? It's a tale told by
Idiot.
an idiot, full
Idiot.
of sounds and
No
fury,
fury.
signifying nothing.
That's a
I think
very.
That is also.
But that's
That
very.
is
What
Macbeth.
go ahead, because I think that kind of signifies what the show really is. It
Well,
is about
that's
nothing. Right
very
at the
that's
end of it.
very convenient as a
Also
ki we can throw shit at the
But
wall and then
convenience cannot be criticism, no, yaar. Like you people are criticizing that even magic realism is convenience. But I'm saying how you're trying to put it is more interesting. That is my
No,
whole point.
I don't disagree with you, but I think like I was a little I honestly was a little annoyed by the excessive Shakespearean poeticism. I was like, this is too much for me in this
Shakespearean
But what do
poeticism.
you mean excessive? If it is consistent, it is working,
No,
right?
I like excessive.
No,
as in,
no.
like
It
it
was
felt too much
going.
like a
It was
it felt
going
too
with the
much.
plot.
No,
It was
no,
aiding the
not the
plot.
Shakespeare elements integrated with the story is not the issue. That's not the problem.
Haan,
The problem,
haan.
like I was not a big fan of the voiceover going ki jo clues that are dropped from his voiceover. I was like, this is a bit pompous and whatever it was.
I wasn't a fan of Robert Frost's poem being dropped verbatim as clues for
But it's a
Hasan's
style.
character,
I mean, it's a choice. You can also like
it,
what
it
Yeah.
didn't
see.
work.
You've seen no, it didn't work for you. That's the difference.
Mhm.
I'm saying as in an investigation,
That's what I'm talking
we
about. Yeah.
in an investigation, how many we've seen iterations of investigation. I'm talking with context. Like let's say
Yeah.
Mhm.
there are
Mhm.
multiple crime shows that come out, and how
Mhm.
many of them have done it in this in a sense, in a way like
No,
this.
it's not. I
Exactly,
mean, it's
exactly.
closest to Twin Peaks, which is
Yeah, but it's
surrealism and whatever it is. So
it's again it's
Correct,
not like
correct.
it's not like the case is being solved because of it's not like the case is being solved by the prowess of an investigator who sees a supernatural element, but at the end of the day, if you look at it objectively, he could have done it using his brain also. In most cases, that's how it
Yeah,
is being
but that
shown.
guy is dealing with something else, which is grief,
But we
right? Half
see
the
like
time.
he's
But
jaded and he's on
grief
the
kahan se aa
brink of
gaya?
retirement.
this is, I think, a
Because
Yeah,
big.
people he died, right?
No, this is, I think,
this
a
is a
big
big
issue for
problem.
both of us.
This is a big issue.
वो
Yeah.
वो
क्योंकि
नासिर और उसके बीच में जो बॉन्ड था, आई नेवर
Yeah.
गॉट द आइडिया कि ग्रीफ
Mhm.
है या गिल्ट है या कुछ भी है. आई वाज लाइक
No,
ये
no,
तो
it's
डाल दिया
it's
इन्होंने.
basically it's guilt maybe because he didn't kind of listened or paid much heed. He always tried to bog down his subordinate at that time.
I
So for
can
me, it
get
was
it.
guilt.
So I'll push back against this by also saying that you know the treatment in which the ghost appears is more comical to me than actually chilling. Chilling would have
Hmm.
been a better register to make me to at least convince me that there is grief or spookiness, guilt, whatever it is. I think the register in which he enters keeps on entering actually the thing is never quote unquote
That is
scary or
intentionally
chilling.
comic. That is
It is
But then
intentionally
it's a
comical.
black,
supernaturally
but then
intentionally
it's a
but
comic.
black
but
comedy
but
only. So
नहीं, but
that might be considered as a comic element.
हाँ तो कॉमिक एलिमेंट
Mhm.
तो है, बट लाइक आई कुडंट लाइक आई वाज लाइक बट इसके साथ क्यों है ये, लाइक आई मीन इट फेल्ट लाइक कि चलो ठीक है, लाइक it's to me honestly it reminded me of you have games, actually you play games in which you have those memories of like people who like guide you through checkpoints essentially, and I was like I can buy him as that, like as someone who's basically telling him to go from one place to another,
Yeah,
but
it's like you're watching a Hideo Kojima game and you're playing Death Stranding and suddenly one ghost comes and is guiding you through something. I understand that, but it really, to be very honest, it did not work for me for the first part. Secondly, ki Robert Frost ka poem, I think, is very, how do I put this? It's very incongruous with the overall narrative of the whole show, the language the show is using. ठीक है? And all of that, I think Robert Frost is too classical of a poet or too classical of a language to be utilized here. You understand me? It's like
But that
I
was
can
lies
Were you
because
cringing? Is that what
but he
happened?
uses
no,
frost
no,
in
I
a
wasn't
different manner
cringing.
only.
Yeah, I
Because
wasn't
that
cringing per se. No, I get it. I get that he used Frost differently. I'm saying that the language and the material and the poeticism that is being used here, I thought that was too, like, Frost is not Shakespeare, right? Shakespeare through language and through literature has become a genre unto itself, which can be intermixed with other genres and can be utilized as a form of narrative trope. Frost isn't that.
Hmm.
At least here, Frost is being used as a form of, form of aid, as a form of guidebook. It's like you're writing a Dungeons and Dragons ka campaign and you give somebody a handbook to solve the case. And that's a Robert Frost ka poem. The handbook would be fine, but I don't think the language of the poetry that is being used here, and those poetic stanzas, then translating
becoming
to
clues, right?
signboards,
हाँ.
signboards or
Yeah,
clues.
but that
I
is the
feel
only physical manifestation, right? Like the his
हाँ.
Tupali's poem books is the only
yeah.
physical
the
thing,
stoic
of
poetry book.
tangible consequence that is surviving in that world, because he doesn't survive. So I think that is the one which is carrying his soul,
That's
because that is what he
surrealism.
constantly keeps reading, right?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
He
and my
hides
point.
his
Hmm.
clues, his notes inside that
But
book. So that book also
It's a kind
I
of
holds some certain.
personification. The book is a personification of his soul.
I understand
Personifies
what you
his
guys.
soul.
I think this probably extends to even like other elements of the show, which I think Sanjeet you
Hmm.
mentioned in the beginning, where you said ki didn't you get the Konkana Sen Sharma ka emotional arc? Because
Yeah.
I think the issue for me actually, and this sort of also links with the Thupali thing, is that all the time you have so many elements going on that I at least felt that, none of them. So it almost like all the emotional element or whatever it was sort of just drained out, like from each of them. Like I never
It's
felt
not.
any.
it's
anything
not
for sort of,
dependent on us. It's not dependent on us believing through the narrative. Like the narrative is not making us believe. It's us thinking that a narrative trope is going to come. That's why there should be a character arc, and that's why we are believing it. I don't think
No,
the
but it is
narrative
also the genre
successfully.
mechanics that there must be multiple elements
Exactly,
happening at the same time,
exactly,
right? So,
exactly,
but multiple
And
exactly.
this is
elements may.
also
Sorry, go ahead.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो
Hmm.
बोलो
this
बोलो.
is also a Shakespearean trait only. In Shakespearean plays, there are many subplots running together. And if we say that he is using Shakespeare, then this can be also considered as a trait also. Many subplots running parallelly together along with the main plot,
I mean,
which is
Yeah,
unique.
but
you were saying that
yeah,
both
but
were.
if you're going to if you're going to use Shakespeare, if you're going to use Shakespeare, like Macbeth going outside, standing in the balcony, and then crying out, "Hark, the forest of Dunsinane is coming." That is not exactly quote unquote realism, and that is not something you are supposed to believe. But that is also a plot mechanic. We are believing because the story itself is designed in such a fashion, and the writing is done in such a way that we are supposed to believe it. Understand? It's like here, though, I can see the plot mechanics going on. I can see the subplots all
hmm,
working together, but
hmm.
I could never buy into the character motivations itself that would force me. I think one of the primary examples of that is Apeksha's character changing towards the last two episodes. For a girl who is supposed whose entire motivation was going to France and changing and
But her
going to an
father
art school,
passed
and
away, right? Isn't
her
that
father
sort of.
but her father treated her horribly. Her
Yeah,
father
but
treated her
it is her
horribly.
choice also at the end of the day, right?
Yeah,
But
at the
but
end
नहीं
of
वो
the day,
but
yes.
I
But
She
for
think
a
got
it's
accepted
person,
about
at certain
but
convince.
moments.
for a
But I think it's
person,
about
but for a
convincing.
person,
No, us.
yeah, but for a person who is supposed to completely stay out of the business, and for a person whose only job at the business is the fact that she can understand the accounts and she can see that थोड़ा घपला हुआ है. That's the only
बहुत
thing.
घपला हुआ है.
हाँ, और
बहुत बहुत घपला.
हाँ,
30
her
crores
own
का घपला.
her only motivation for them 30 crores is what? For her only motivation throughout this entire narrative is the fact that इतना घपला हुआ है, इस घपले से थोड़ा पैसे लेके मैं खुद निकल जाऊंगी. That
Correct,
was her
correct.
entire motivation. I am
Yes,
Yeah,
supposed
but
to.
then she's also confronted now later, like her mama is telling her like you go to France, and even like Swati is telling why aren't you going to France, and then she's asserting herself like no, I choose this, like I choose to be in the business or
Okay,
do
but
this.
That is like,
that's the whole, like, they're saying it, but I'm not believing it. Like, I guess
yes,
that is the bigger
and it's
issue, I
also like
suppose.
Then
wait,
that
how
is
and
the
it's
it's.
also,
first.
yeah, and it's also
Then
like, wait, hold on. It's also like, wait, hold on. So you are going to tell me that a woman or a girl who has been trying to go to an art school, try to stay out of the business, suddenly इतने आदमी लोग कह रहे हैं, हाँ हाँ बेटा तुम जाओ फ्रांस, हाँ हाँ बेटा तुम जाओ फ्रांस. Suddenly उसको पता चलता है कि ये why are they so supportive of me now? कुछ तो गड़बड़
But
है.
they were
This is
always
sounding like
supportive of her.
trauma.
They were
Who?
always supportive of her.
they are
They never,
always
nobody
supportive
said
of her
no
Lucas
from
to
to
her
was,
except
no.
her father.
Lucas
except her
to was,
father,
no.
except her father.
Yeah. So Lucas and the mom was Lucas and the aunt was supportive. Her father wasn't. Okay.
Huh, so
But
Huh.
now
The
that
only
father, the
those two are
father
also saying
died.
you should leave. Or yeah, the father
Huh.
died. That is the whole life-changing thing, yeah. If
yeah, that
someone
is the whole like again,
huh.
father passing away and all is, I understand. Believe me, life-changing events, all of that
No,
I
I
get.
I am not disagreeing with anything. I'm just saying that is a motivation for a person to take a decision that wouldn't possibly go with what was before, right? That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
It is a
Yeah,
big possibility.
but again, I don't think the writing is being construed well enough that I will have to buy into the fact that she logically will take that decision according to the world's logic. The
हाँ, like it
writing isn't
feels
written
like
that
कि
well.
वो डिसीजन तो लेना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि प्लॉट
वो डिसीजन
बढ़ेगा
लेना ही
आगे.
पड़ेगा क्योंकि प्लॉट को
Like
मूव
वो
करना
हमें,
है.
like Sanjeev, we are feeling it.
Hmm.
Like I think what we are saying is that we feel it is like that because we are not invested in the drama itself, right? Because we are just thinking कि
Yes.
ये सारे जो actions हो
Okay,
रहे
okay.
हैं, they are
Okay, okay,
essentially
Things.
sort of just tumbling onto each, which is what I think I kind of mentioned in the beginning कि वो जो because there, even in the dad's death, there is so much like miracle and wackiness involved that he like gets up and then dies
Hmm.
immediately. जो
Yeah.
एक्चुअली इमोशनल वो है वो नहीं था कुछ, टू मी एटलीस्ट. आई वाज लाइक कोई डेवस्टेशन नहीं था मेरे एंड पे. फर्स्टली आई तो डिडंट इवन केयर
हाँ
फॉर
तो
एनी ऑफ देम एक्सेप्ट फॉर स्वाति. सो आई वाज लाइक चलो ठीक है, उसके हिसाब से तो अच्छा ही हो गया, राइट, दैट ही पास्ड ऑफ. सो आई वाज लाइक चलो
also
ठीक है.
Also,
sorry,
you
you
know
said?
what is also, one of the bigger things about criticizing any sort of story or any sort of media, why vehement criticism occurs from anybody. Because if you are not invested in the story, all the
No,
flaws
no.
suddenly start out. I'm just saying,
See, I agree with you. I agree with you. Yeah.
all the flaws immediately start coming out to you more. Understand? And it's like I don't. That's the whole point. I don't buy. So when I actually buy into something in this story, that stands out to me even more. Like the fact that Sayaji Shinde's character, he's like over the top. He's acting his heart out. He's
He's
over
hamming
the
it
top.
nicely.
He's hamming it nicely.
He's actually got
doing
a
it
really
honestly.
terrific scene in episode 5, which I think is one of my other favorites, is
Which one?
when he's
My
play
favorite is
acting, almost manipulating
yeah,
his daughter
yeah,
into,
Yes, yes, yes.
and then
as if he has
Konkana basically
died.
steps in as basically like,
Yeah, and
इतना नाटक
he
क्या कर
gets
रहे हो
up.
आप, like whatever.
Ha,
So
ha, ha.
essentially,
I don't know. Which scene was
the
it again?
confrontation at the
The
family, the house,
confrontation.
Confrontation, which Kirtima was
which
kind of recording,
Kirtima,
and then
yeah,
he
Right. Okay.
blackmailed.
Where she shoots him. Yeah.
yeah, like
Hmm.
हाँ, but
Yeah,
उसके पहले
accidentally
basically the
shoots
build
him.
up essentially to the whole thing कि he's trying to like convince her to stay by emotionally manipulating her that I'm a bad father and all that, and then
Yeah,
Konkana
so
steps in
that's
as basically like you're a
yeah. So
moron.
those scenes.
Uh,
Yeah, so those scenes, even though he's emotionally manipulating her, because Shinde's performance is so good,
you're
you
right.
can sense the kernel of truth within him that
Yes.
he's a father at the end of the
Yeah.
day, because he will like that. That's not the writing is not delivering that. That's the performance that is delivering that.
Hmm.
The
What would
only
you have though instead of this then? Like, Jimmy, just give me something like whatever comes to your mind. I'm not saying ki you will write it better. I'm just asking in general because I can't think of a better, placeholder for a scene.
No, no, I don't know about placeholder, but
Like
I
this.
think
I think the
I
entire scene, I think the entire scene ka construction itself needs to be changed overall. Like, why put the entire rigmarole of them going through a car, him going on a boat में he's taking a selfie, वो सब करवा रहा है, फिर वापस आके गाड़ी में आके फिर घर पे आ गया, घर पे आके देखा कि वो लोग खड़ा हुआ है. That's my whole point. इतना rigmarole
But
क्यों?
see, that
rigmarole
is
ठीक है. I actually don't think the rigmarole is the issue. I think to me the issue is कि वो कॉमेडी से सीरियस कभी नहीं बनता मेरे लिए. I'm like ये wacky ही है almost all the way through. I'm like
हाँ,
I
तो
needed.
serious तो
No, you
बनता है
wanted
ना
it to
घर
be
पे
serious.
I
when
wanted it to be
confrontation होता
like
है.
there needs to be. I wanted one real
I think
kernel
what
to
he's
hold
talking
on
about.
to.
Yeah,
Essentially,
I think what he's
which is there
talking
in
about is an
Fargo
emotional
also.
heft.
Yeah, which is
I
there
think
in
what he's
Fargo.
talking about is
serious
an
भी
emotional
होता है.
heft. Yeah.
Yeah.
दो
हाँ,
जगह तो
yeah.
सीरियस होता है. एक तो जो कन्फ्रंटेशन होता है वो
Yes, which is
एक
what
वो
I really like that. Yeah.
Which is why
हाँ,
we
और
liked it.
Yeah.
एक
Which
एंड
is
का
why we
एंड
liked it.
एंड में भी तो जो रिवीलेशन होता है पार्टी पे, वो भी तो एक सीरियस सीन होता है
I
वहां
like the
पर.
party scene
Which is
also.
why we liked it. Which is why we liked it.
Like, but no, but I just wanted it to, or maybe just switch between. I like the Manoj Bajpayee
Again,
stuff
it's
actually with
again,
Kirtama. I think that
you
is
know,
a good
Sanjeev, what's
tension.
the
issue is
thing?
there was inadequate shuffling between
Yeah, yeah.
comedy and seriousness going on. So
I
it's
think
more
I think what
comedy
you
and
yeah.
yeah. I think what you are talking about is the balance. I think that
Yeah.
thing we always talk about, right?
Dark
Sanjeev, ki
comedy,
the
right?
balance
You wanna
between
say.
tonality. Balance between tonality. I think the balance is exceedingly off here.
And
Yeah.
let me be very clear. I don't even think that would be a problem if I was laughing consistently, which I wasn't.
Yeah,
So
the
that
jokes
is the
didn't
other.
land.
I thought they were
Again, that's a
trying too hard.
subjective.
Huh?
Yeah, again,
I
that's a
thought they were
subjective
trying too
thing.
hard. So
Now
yes.
comedy is becoming a subjective thing,
Ah.
and for me, it wasn't very funny.
Yeah, same.
I'm sorry.
So
It
that's what
really
I'm saying. I
wasn't.
think that kind of comedy
Comedy
works best.
element
Like,
to is a big
so-
issue, no? Huh? So I mean, like
Yeah,
big
yeah.
issue
I
as in like
feel-
big subjective thing. So
the way you're
Mhm.
kind of putting proportion as like the main thing, right? The inadequate
Hmm.
proportion of tonality.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah. Mhm.
my point is,
serious
I
scene
think
is also that scene I found very gripping, where kind of Thupalli confronts with Swati and discovers her
also a great
kind of
scene.
on the verge of.
Episode 2, right?
That was a
Episode 2,
great
right?
sequence.
but how is
Yeah.
that serious then? Do you think
No,
that was serious?
it ends with a comedic punchline, but it is serious for Swati. Like there is
Yeah.
tension
I mean, then
between
that
those
is what
two.
dark comedy, right? It is
Mhm.
it is supposed to be something very serious, and then it
But
ends
वो
with
ही
a...
तो नहीं था सर.
Yeah,
बहुत सारे में,
those
I
are the
think.
moments where the balance is right. Those are the
No,
moments
I
where the
think
balance is somewhat
my
right.
point is when you're talking about proportion, where there are these scenes like the end scene which you guys liked it, I didn't sort of buy into that. Like, I didn't think that should have been the ending. I thought it should have been
Sure.
something.
Also, वो Manoj Bajpayee का body कहाँ गया? I didn't. If even if we see that
Body?
it's a kind of like is
Oh,
Arey,
he
I
supposed to be in
body
the
तो जल
car?
गया ना?
नहीं, he was
कौन
अरे
supposed.
किसकी
it
He was
body?
not.
disappeared from the car.
अच्छा
It
उमेश
disappeared from
आई
the
थिंक
car.
उमेश और प्रभाकर
Umesh's,
वो तो
हाँ,
हॉस्पिटल ले
उमेश।
जा रहे हैं ना, मर जाता है हॉस्पिटल
Pramesh's
में।
हाँ,
body.
हाँ।
But the
हाँ,
body disappeared.
yeah, but the body disappeared. So it was a
उमेश
bit
की?
difficult.
Again, this is a
हाँ,
again this is a
उमेश की
world.
body disappeared from the car.
Yeah. You are
From
forgetting.
which car?
The body disappears from the
He
No,
car.
so in that scene, when his body disappears, there is a shot which is somewhat behind the leaves, and you're seeing the car as they're looking at. Like, you know, that scene basically, how that scene
उमेश है
happens is
प्रभाकर है कौन भाई?
उमेश
उमेश
प्रभाकर तो
towards the
मर चुका है
end,
कब?
last
कब मर
episode.
चुका कब?
हाँ, तो
Last
उमेश की
episode
बॉडी का
showed-
क्या होता है? हाँ,
उसके मुंह से
Basically-
खून निकाल रहा है because कोई poison लिया है.
Basically, no. In the car, the cops are taking him to the hospital, right?
हाँ,
हम्म,
हाँ, हाँ.
And in that scene, you know, there's this background, some dialogue is happening, and it is constantly cutting to
कोंकणा ना?
Konkana, who's
Bush, right.
drowning in the sea.
Yes,
Or
yeah.
whatever,
Yeah,
whatever body.
at the suicide point. That was the
Uh-huh.
suicide point.
She's underwater already, and what happens is when there's that moment where Konkana's eyes open up and she
Yeah,
starts
yeah.
swimming back,
Hmm.
and
Mhm.
when subsequently cuts to where Manoj Bajpayee's character Umesh is,
Ah,
his
okay.
body is not there in the car, but in that
Uh-huh.
scene itself, there is a shot from behind the sea, behind the leaves, somewhere like the, you know, there's some bushes or something around, you know, where the car is placed, and there's a shot like that. So I thought that's him. He's looking through. I mean, his soul has left the body, and
Ah, okay,
possibly.
No,
okay,
I
okay.
think no.
That's
I
what
think
I
डरना
thought.
मना है
I think
types.
yeah, Dharna
Whatever.
Mana type. Or also, I think it's the fact that anyway, I did not like
RGB.
the realism and fantasy intermingling in this world anyway, क्योंकि अचानक से घोस्ट आ जाता है, रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट का पोएम बक कर रहा है, जो भी हो. So but at the end, when this entire thing is happening and when the body disappears and when her, I think her Konkona's character also swims up, and then they get on a bus and then they drive away and the bus
and
goes
it's a
away.
foggy. It's a foggy
and it's a
thing,
foggy.
and
तो
they
heaven है ना?
yeah,
Yeah.
they come.
Or hell, whatever.
No, what I would like to call it is basically the writers at this point writing it down and looking for a poignancy of
That
a scene,
felt like
and they
a
are just
forceful to
writing.
me.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
fair
ending
enough.
felt forceful to me.
Sure.
I that's why I say I don't like the ending. So
But उसको
for me,
don't you
the
think they
problem-
undercut the poignancy with the whole whatever Sanjeet was saying? वो क्या है dialogue बोलता है बस पे बैठे बैठे.
Huh. It's
हाँ,
all
A
sound
tale
and
told by an
fury
idiot.
signifying that. Yeah,
Ah,
it's a tale
yeah,
told by an idiot, full of sound and fury signifying
That
nothing.
He
doesn't-
described the
doesn't fit-
Northmen. Yeah.
it's a soliloquy
That's
from
also a
Shakespeare
Macbeth.
only.
It's a
Yeah.
soliloquy from
Yeah.
Hamlet or Macbeth. I think it's a soliloquy from
Macbeth.
Macbeth.
From
Macbeth.
Macbeth. It's a
Macbeth.
soliloquy from Macbeth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So वही तो जो the problem which I was telling that only, like if you are showing that justice prevails in the end and the characters pay for the action, so you like
I
show
don't think
that they're
justice.
dying.
I don't think the fact is justice will ever prevail in the. I don't think that was the intention ever at
हाँ.
all.
हाँ,
I don't
हाँ.
think that was
Fuck
the
you.
intention.
Doesn't it all like link up? Like she falls down जैसे उसका वो हुआ था. Isn't it like almost like karmic justice? No?
Eh,
नहीं,
I thought
वही-
that was the
But then
point
she
because the-
voluntarily goes there, right? She voluntarily
Yeah.
goes there, so I don't know if
हाँ,
it
but like
is
गिरती
really-
तो है ही ना. अच्छा. Okay,
karma
fair
कहाँ
enough.
है इस
No,
दुनिया पे?
the same
Karma
thing
कहाँ है इस
happens
दुनिया पे?
like the Thupalli scene gets repeated only with her standing at the suicide point
Yeah.
at the end and she falls down just the way
Yeah.
he fell down.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Yeah. But I'm saying that voluntarily happened and that was an accident.
Sure.
I'm saying there are two different cases, but
Got it.
possibly
Yeah.
could be put in the whole karma category. I don't know. Maybe.
No, but it's because we
हाँ,
have
but-
brought up the Coens ka thing. I have actually, so maybe it's my issue. The issue for me was actually I probably had just binged watched Fargo season 5, which I think does a lot of balancing acts and all that
I
in
am
a way which
watching.
I
I am
was
watching.
buying it.
I
So
am watching Fargo season 5 because I waited for the season to end. I
Yeah.
just watched the
Fargo
first
का
episode.
series भी है. Oh my god, why
हाँ.
don't I
You didn't know.
Fargo
watch it. I just
season
watched the
5
mo-
episode 1.
yeah, it's a great
Damn.
setup.
Okay.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
No, but I
don't
think the idea is the outlandishness. I don't think is a problem per se because the outlandishness, if you're bringing in Coens, if you're even bringing in Twin Peaks, which has a freaking
Definitely
lore
you're
of
bringing in
its
Twin
own.
Peaks, right?
Yeah.
I'm
yeah.
like,
Definitely you're
okay, you
bringing
bring
Twin
in
Peaks, yeah.
outlandishness, but with both the Coen's work and Lynch's work, if we are going to take those as big reference points, their work to me has a connection to tangible reality. I feel the connection to something really emotional in all their work. On their all
You're
their
you're
work, I like.
saying you're saying the consequences feel you actually feel for the character who
Yeah.
probably
I
someone
mean,
is
I
about to
do
die.
hear
Is that what you?
briefly. Yeah, I feel it very briefly here with Konkana's character, but nothing for anyone else. Then
Yeah, because
everything
it is
else
her
is.
story. So I mean,
But
that
like
is who we
that
should
also like
root
in
for, right?
brief spurts
She's
and
the
whatever the thing. I'm not always
she's the main
engrossed in
character
her.
here. So
Yeah, she's the most
But
central.
then there's a
she's
lot
the
of other
mess.
characters in the whole show.
Yeah, but
There are
Yeah,
enormous
but
And it's a
she's
enormous
7 hour show.
ensemble
technically
also.
but she's the
she
one who
basically
is
starts
driving
with
the
the whole
plot.
domino, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
she's
like
the one who's driving the plot.
but then in the supporting characters, you can find moments of catharsis. ऐसा नहीं है that you can't. I think again both those filmmakers who we are referencing, both of them find very great ways of mixing. And Chaube probably himself does it in Ishkiya or Ded Ishkiya for
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
matter, where you mix
Yeah.
Did
the
Ishka
two.
better.
Yeah, but like
Danish are much better, right?
but I
Yeah,
remember
yeah,
Danish does it much
But
better, yeah.
Ishqiya also had a very solid thing to ground it in Vidya Balan's whole backstory, right? From
No,
whatever I
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
remember.
See, I think the ending completely works for me because I
Okay.
was like I maybe I don't like the whole party thing because
Okay.
I was like, this is although it made me a little anxious because possibly that was the intent of the scene. For
I
me, I
was
thought
anxious
this
in
wasn't
that scene. I
this
thought I was well.
The
this wasn't
ending,
like
the ending of Umesh's death. Let me. I'll just say this, then you continue, Sanjay.
Hmm.
The
huh,
Umesh's death का जो scene है ना कि you putting
yeah,
in that entire thing, that almost that again the antithesis of the Macbeth thing works in this case because if you look at it, because if you look at the person who is teaching her the paya soap, you again take her as one of the three witches. But
three
Yeah.
again,
witches,
this witch
correct.
is again this witch is also an incompetent buffoon क्योंकि उसे
Yeah.
पता
Yeah,
नहीं कौन सी ingredient डालना पड़ेगा. So
yeah,
that too. Then you see the ingredients. The chief ingredient comes from the dead body of a deer, which again makes
yeah.
sense because cauldron में जो होता था,
Yeah.
bubble toil and trouble जो भी हो,
Trouble in trouble.
all
Yeah,
that
yeah.
all that stuff you get. So when Umesh finally
Hmm.
starts drinking that soup and that soup becomes like an elixir of sort, so much,
Hmm.
so much that he starts drinking it again and again. It's almost like too much of a good thing,
Yeah.
too much of a good thing, and that's why when his death occurs through
That is a metaphor
blood
of his
spitting.
counterpart's desires, which never
Uh-huh.
Yes.
ends, I felt.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It
It's not
works.
even that. It's like the death becomes like you are looking at it from a thematic standpoint,
Hmm.
Srilaka. I'm looking at it from an
Yeah.
aesthetic standpoint because by then too much primary color focus. The blood is also looking like a Dario Argento level of a giallo.
Yeah.
I mean,
It
it's
definitely
shot
feels
like
like a
that. No, he
Grand
spills
Guignol.
it on the freaking camera
Yeah,
lens
yeah.
only almost. So
It's like Grand
yeah.
Guignol, right? It's
Yeah.
Grand Guignol. It's opera. At that
Mhm.
point, it's opera, and see, that's another tonality I would have liked to be explored more to a certain extent because that part I really liked to a certain
Hmm.
degree. I think,
I don't
It's
put.
like
I
it's
don't have a
like the
particular
banquet scene
problem with.
from Macbeth.
Hmm.
yeah,
I don't have a particular problem with how it kind of results in or
Mhm.
consequences. But my problem is the play, like the whole act of expressing at a party when it's. Although I get it,
Oh,
like the
like
whole
yeah.
idea,
The way he
it is
it's
goes
the
on to
delicate.
खोगा हम
go, yeah,
it's
yeah,
the खोगा हम का problem. It's the खोगा
हाँ,
हम का problem.
that is not something that I
Life
appreciate
में
because I was
past reclaim करो in front of strangers, in an open mic.
Please. I know
हाँ,
Srilekha really likes the movie, so I don't want to dub about it, but please do not
oh
bring that.
shit, never mind.
Yeah.
My, so that kind of I get it. It's a delicate situation, but I don't know if I mean people do this in a lot in cinema, right? Like just expressing in front of an audience, and it
Hmm.
becomes like an embarrassing situation and
Hmm.
whatnot. I'm saying beyond the idea of it, I feel just the placement of a scene like that in that world doesn't make sense to me. That's
Sure.
what
Yeah.
was out of place for
So
me. That's
Yeah.
why I didn't like it. But I like how it kind of
did it feel
ideally
rushed to
to
you?
Yeah. But in the
Did
ending,
it feel rushed?
the
yes,
rushed,
in
but
bits, yes.
the one another element introduced more towards the ending and the one prior to that, which I think reminded me a lot, and in a way of the Omkara thing, where it's the when the father pulls up in the car before the titles appear and he's basically like,
Correct.
ये जो
Correct.
अपने बाप को
मेरी
अपने
बाप की नहीं हो
साथ
सकी और वो तेरी
वो
कैसे
तो वो
होगी?
तेरी
Hmm.
क्या होगी essentially, which is
हाँ.
played really well. Like the confusion between the couple, I think, is so almost, it has such a great dramatic
हाँ.
potential, and I was waiting for the show to really, take its
I agree with
feet
you.
into it. I was like,
I'll agree with you
go
on
for
that.
it. I
Yeah, yeah,
love
yeah.
it. I love
Because
these
there
two
is so much
actors.
weight to that bit,
Yeah.
and I thought
Mhm.
that is possibly going to happen in the beginning of the last episode, because I think towards the end only. No, I think the beginning of the last
I
episode
think
is where
Umesh, yeah,
Hassan
Umesh
goes
is
to Umesh's house and
exactly. Yeah,
confronts him
yeah.
again, right?
I
I
mean,
thought that is the
yeah.
point, right? That is supposed to be.
Can we,
And then
potential solution? But I know
yeah,
it'll lose a lot of the stuff that
I
I
don't
guess
think
a lot
I
of you
don't
guys
think I
like.
don't think we should be giving I don't think we should be giving any sort of
No,
potential solutions per
solution,
se,
nahi, but
because
like
that
my preference maybe would
But
have been
I
sort of,
felt
chuck
I
out
felt
the
like the
Nasir
way they
storyline only and build it on
I
the buffoons more, but
hmm.
whatever.
Hmm.
Anyways,
I felt the
make it
way
more
Umesh
anti-Macbeth.
and
Like make it more
Shilakha,
anti-Macbeth. Put a Macduff in, but don't put a Macduff in. Put the Macduff in, and Macduff will come towards the end. That's what happens in Macbeth. I'm
hmm.
just saying that's what happens in Macbeth. So
yeah,
put it like a
true, true.
Macbeth only. Yeah. Mm,
No, sorry, you were saying
Yeah.
Srilekha?
hmm.
Yeah.
No, I was saying like the chemistry which is being built in the initial episodes between Umesh and Swati,
Hmm.
that kinds of tones down in the end. I wanted to be more intense rather in the end. So that
No, but
is
wo to I
that
think is
is
a
something.
consequence of the thing only, no? Like in the initial bits also, but I really liked in like first episode. I took a while to get going with the tone of the show, but there were bits of it I really liked, which was her being so unsure, like when he asks her, "Ki do you love me?" or whatever it is, and she's like
It's not
dodging
simple.
the question. It's not
It's
simple
not,
and
Hmm.
whatever.
yeah.
So like she's always in that friction of which version do I prefer? Essentially to
Yes.
live
No,
with
she's
to
not
live
in
with
any verse. She's just using him basically for me. Like used him
No, I
only
think she
throughout.
cares
There
for
was no
him.
love.
No. I think she cares for him. I think that plastic
She
surgery. I think
cares
that
for him
plastic
for
surgery.
her own sake, for
No,
her
Yeah.
but
own kind of
in
age,
the
so that her
last
truth
episode,
doesn't get revealed.
but in the last
Yeah.
episode, doesn't Lucas say कि इसको हटा दो, and but she still persists with keeping her trust in him. I think she definitely has some sort of affection for him, at least because she knows how much he's gone through for her.
I
At
think
least
the
that's what I
selfishness.
got.
No, I don't think that is the case. क्योंकि अगर वैसा होता तो nobody like Umesh is a complete buffoon, because under what world would you agree for a woman, even as a trained nurse, to put an acid around your face for that
And
reason? I'm
what I
like,
like
कर
about
क्या
Umesh's
कर?
character is one thing where Chaube makes him look like a woman and a woman like a
Yes.
man. And so that's the thing which I
Yeah.
love. So
No,
Umesh,
not
Oh, as in
not
like in gender roles in terms of
figuratively.
flipping them. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay,
yeah,
no,
like
okay,
the
okay.
traits, feminine. So yeah, what I was telling, what I love, as I was also mentioning earlier, like the way he kind of includes the feminine traits in the character of Umesh. Like he's just like a female. He's powerless. So this is basically female in oppressed houses.
Mhm.
But or basically even Swati also
Swati
till
with the yeah.
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 But
Yeah.
when Prabhu was alive and when the character of Shaiji Shinde, till he was alive, and then she gets all the power in her hands. Still, Lucas is a potential threat
I mean,
because he
don't you
kind of.
think this will be like basically, I guess, pawn
I
for
don't.
SRV? There's so much woman slapping going on here, right?
Yeah, definitely. But
I
does
don't.
SRB
I
does
don't
SRB
get
have the
well with the
patience?
character of Lucas. Honestly, I don't get well with the character with that character. With one character from the entire
Lucas,
series, that is the character of Lucas.
why?
I
Hmm.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, the
Too
in
little
the end
developed.
also, yeah, I feel too little developed. I couldn't form a connection with the character, honestly.
Okay.
Like
Hmm.
why there is too little about, or even hints are given that he's somewhat associated or with a kind of Apeksha, and that's why
I don't
he's.
think they hint. I mean, I do. I just think they're very, very
I don't
loud
think that's a
hints. Then
hint. Yeah,
I think it's
those are
like
not
proper.
hints.
They dete hain
No,
that
but
it
it
is
was
her.
never explicitly told. So that's why I am still keeping like, all right,
वो
implicitly also.
लास्ट में डेड बॉडी भी नहीं मिला, तो एक्सप्लिसिटली टोल्ड का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है इस शो पे.
But
Hmm.
nahi,
I
but
don't connect.
Fair enough.
Mhm.
Fair enough.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Sanjeet?
So from stuff that I think what Dhruv has said before, uh, which also I really appreciated and liked,
Hmm.
was were the whole Kirtima and Umesh scenes,
Hmm.
which uh, which Dhruv explicitly said are which is basically the tone which he really appreciated. But
Yeah, because it's a good balance,
yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
That's the whole balancing you think you
No,
get with
so I
Swati
think
and the relationship
I
also.
never looked at it as proportional thing, that is
Hmm.
basically happening. So
No, but you were
that is
enjoying it. You were laughing much more than we were.
I was
Huh.
enjoying it, of course. But that's why I said it in the
Hmm.
beginning. Episodes probably fifth and sixth were slightly, or sixth and seventh were slightly sagging in their approach, because
Hmm.
there's a lot that has to happen, and it kind
Yeah.
of does put you away. But there are moments. I'm not saying those are like s- problems per se,
I
but I
like the
really
Kirtima.
appreciate.
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
वो कीर्तिमा का छोटा छोटा जो थ्रो अवे थिंग है कि कलाया पट्टू का
yeah,
प्रोग्राम देखने जाओ. That
yeah,
कलाया पट्टू
That
comes
also had
down
a
that
very
towards the
good
end.
thing where he
Yeah.
fell down in her arms and like they kissed. I was like,
yeah,
that was quite
No,
funny.
no,
I did,
yeah, that was
yeah,
funny. That was
yeah.
funny. But
yeah,
what is more funny is the fact that like Konkuna's character is like completely over that, because Lucas's character is like plunging over
She
the arms,
basically
and then the
wipes him out,
subversion
right?
occurs.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah,
was hilarious. I love
yeah,
that scene.
yeah.
yeah,
Also,
yeah.
Yeah,
one thing which I like, that is I don't know, it might be a very kind of far-fetched, but the production company is MacGuffin, right?
Yeah.
And
yeah.
yeah, and very ironically, the soup acts as a MacGuffin, you can say, from the beginning till the end,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
plot.
Hmm.
yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
I love that. And
It
also
shouldn't have.
this affection,
Soup
yeah.
should have been made better, though, but जो भी हो.
और किलर नहीं
Do you
होना
mean
चाहिए
the
था अंदाज में,
show
सिर्फ
or
सूप ही अच्छा था.
actual
No,
soup?
both.
Acha.
Both.
The soup
No,
becomes
no, no, no,
killer
no, no,
only
no, don't say
only
that.
in
Okay. Okay.
Go ahead. Sorry,
Sorry,
Srilekha, you
Shilekha,
were
please
saying.
continue.
what were you telling? Sorry, I was
No, no, he
thinking
was
something
saying
else.
about
No, no.
I was a bad
I
snarky people
was
being snarky.
yeah. I was pushing Sanjeet's buttons. Chalo.
Yes.
No,
Her
no, it's
soup
okay.
was completely bland, and when she gets the secret ingredient, it's from a dead deer, and that
Yeah.
only makes it killer. So like the death element in the soup
Hmm.
Yes.
itself.
I mean, I
And
liked,
also
Completely
yeah.
what
killer.
Yeah, I liked how it
yeah,
transformed
yeah.
from being like that whole like killer soup in like the whole taste manner to actually killing him. Like I was like,
Yeah, it's
I like all that.
unpalatable. It's unpalatable to unput downable, basically.
Yes. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
what
yeah.
happened.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I
And
actually
also I
really
like
enjoyed
the
some of
Keertima.
the sorry, go ahead.
Kirtima, yeah.
Srilekha?
Yeah, the Keertima character kind of,
Hmm.
or the common affections of Umesh and Prabhu towards her kind of connects the both the doppelganger together by one thread.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
though both of them are different, but this is the common element, like the affections which Prabhu
And
initially had, and then
yeah, and they
Umesh
don't
also
like her soup.
develops it.
Fuck. It
Yeah,
Hmm.
was fuck all, right?
nobody
That's what he
I
said.
don't
nobody
think
likes her
anybody
soup.
liked her soup. It was fuck all.
Nobody liked her soup.
Yeah.
Nahi, the
Except the
DCP
end.
likes the last mein, huh? TCP is
And
drinking it
also
properly.
in
Yeah,
the beginning, so what I liked about Chobby is in the beginning, he shows that kitchen is the only place which is a place in Swati's home where she dreams, or the only place where she
yeah,
weaves her dreams. So there is a
Mhm.
very detailed depiction of the kitchen room scene where she's literally preparing the soup and the way she's
yeah,
doing
yeah,
it.
yeah,
And
yeah.
yeah, and it shows that that is the only place where she can exercise her freedom.
Hmm.
क्यों उमेश के साथ
I
Umesh
mean,
ke
but
saath
that is
it's
also where she's kind of going to learn how to cook, and then goes to
yeah,
Umesh's
freedom ही
place,
हुआ ना
right?
वो या नहीं
yeah.
no
Mm.
I don't know
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sure.
उमेश के साथ जो होता है वो तो like it's more about the kind of the healthy equations, like both give and take policy. So Umesh is doing it for the sake of love, and I felt that there was no love, but it's just for the
No,
sake of
there was.
achieving.
There was love,
There
I think.
was somewhat. No. I think there was to a certain extent ki the plastic surgery bit of it all was basically Konkona tried to transplant Umesh into her
yeah
husband, a version of her husband which who might have been the initial version which she had fallen in love with.
Also, the face can be seen as a divider also. Like that part is Prabhu
Face
and
Off.
that part is Face
Yeah,
Off. That is the
Two-Face.
Umesh part.
Two-Face.
Yeah,
Two-Face.
Two-Face.
Yeah.
Like the
Batman.
Janus, right? The Greek god which has
अरे
two
नहीं नहीं
faces.
हम तो
हाँ।
बैटमैन पे है Greek
पूतना
god
Batman
पूतना
को
Two-Face.
पूतना मत
नहीं
जाओ. We are Batman. We are going Batman. We are
We are
very
Batman.
lowbrow. We are
I
lowbrow.
I liked how Chobi also directed like some scenes where there is a certain
Oh,
amount of
split
chaos that happens.
diopters. Oh my god.
Split
Oh yeah,
diopters, which
diopters.
Oh yeah. Those were
I really
amazing, by
liked.
the way.
No, I liked how
Those
they were
amazing
used also.
ones.
Like the
Yeah, yeah,
conversation
and
bits, like are always like, oh, it keeps you off center. So yeah, no, I
and
like
also
the split
kind
of
of
time.
builds that whole tense atmosphere. Very very smartly used. It's not like
No, I like
just
visually inventive direction, so I did
The
appreciate.
comic elements when I laughed
yeah.
is when Hassan's boss is a very comic character. Like I genuinely
Hassan's
laughed at some
boss.
instances.
Oh, I thought he was
The
overkill.
Three Idiots
Sorry.
guy.
No, I
Like,
thought
yeah.
I thought he was like trying to be Yosemite Sam, basically.
Like
Nobody
I
gets the
thought
character.
I thought that was the sort of try hard humor to me. Like I thought more natural
I will
element of
agree.
the more
Hmm.
I will
natural
agree. I
humor
think
for
so
me
that
was actually coming from I loved the scene at the police office in episode 4 or 5, I think,
Where Hassan
he
finally
become
confront on the day of his farewell, when he
no,
on the day of
No,
Hassan's
no.
farewell.
not
That is
that.
towards the
This
end.
is the one
no.
where
This was
Manoj
earlier.
Bajpayee makes up the sex addict story. I laughed a
Oh
lot.
yeah. That was funny.
I thought that was quite funny.
Oh
Yeah,
yes, yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
No, that
No,
was
even
like
even in
harm at
scenes like where the detective is killed, like how he's building Chobi is building the scene. There's a phone
Oh,
call that
you
is coming.
like the fuck, जो भी
No,
था.
I'm saying how you're building a scene. I'm talking purely
Sure.
direction of
Hmm.
how. I mean, you can write whatever you want, right? I mean,
He takes
but
it kind of from Wire season 1 episode 2 in how he's building up the scene. I
yeah.
like that because that's the source. He's taking it from
I mean,
that.
that is one
No,
scene,
I
and this
appreciate that.
happens. Yeah,
Yeah.
this happens later on as well on in many other scenes
Yeah.
where certain. I mean, even in in Tupalli's death also, like the way he's kind of not
Yeah.
able to grasp
Hmm.
his gun. I mean, that
Hmm.
that bit of just adding these kind of nuances to like and like where uh the detective Nader, he's reversing his car. She has his
That
camera.
was a purposeful name, no? Nader is that
Hmm.
just like a private detective named Nader? It sounds like Nader. I
Possibly.
could only think of like whatever, like not fearful.
No. Nada is no fear, but Nada is
Huh.
also Nada. Private detective, no identity, Nada.
Okay.
Basically.
Oh, okay. See, you're only picking out such things. I'm telling you.
Noir.
Yeah.
क्योंकि
क्या
noir
करें
तो
वो
है
yeah,
इसमें
उसमें
ना
no.
side
बहुत.
exploration.
It is
So
noir
yeah,
only,
I
no?
mean, it is noir. It has noir. Yeah.
It
But I
has
like these
noir
kind
ही
of
है, femme
bits where
fatale ही
where
तो है.
Chobe is building scenes. Like there is that scene where that shot from the top where uh, both Konkara and Manoj's characters are there and they have sex and on during that bit of time, right? So I like how he's kind of is building to certain movements, and
Sure.
that's what I'm. And
You
even
mean
the
that
Kirtima
scene
scene
where
towards
they're
the end,
embracing and they were like mopping the
embracing.
blood off the floor and they were mopping
Oh
the
Yes,
yeah,
blood.
yes,
So
That
it was
yes.
kept
It's a
It's a
aside.
great
that top
image.
Yeah.
I'm not
Shot.
exactly
Yeah.
sure. It
What that
was
meant?
fine. I was like, I'm
And
for
even the
people
scene
who
with
are buffoons also, this is stretching it a little bit, but okay. ठीक है.
and even the scene with Kirtima, which towards the end where he's at a place and he kind of breaks down. So I was like, I'm like, I really like how he's trying to take
Framing them.
from the
He's
character
framing
from
them. Yeah.
certain point to a certain point, and the way he
Yeah.
would direct the performances as well.
Mhm.
Those are like
Mhm.
just absolute highlights for me because I was like, this guy's just doing it at a very, master scale in terms of just how
Yeah.
to
It's acting.
get it out.
But yeah.
You see why? Oh, sorry.
No.
You finish off.
Continue. I
Why
don't
I
really
was
have much to
telling,
say.
why I was telling, like Umesh and Swati's was a give and take because you see, Umesh also had now just now remembered, like he had some criminal records, like
Gambling.
previously.
Yeah. No. He had two
No.
murder charges from Odisha.
Yeah, he had two murder
Odisha,
charges
yes.
from Odisha. So-
Umesh Mehto.
So
He's Umesh Mehto.
yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, and then he gets Pillai, gets transformed,
Yes.
and then he's a
Yeah.
misuse. So it's kind of he is able to hide away in that identity also in the Prabhu's
Mhm.
identity. He has also something to gain. So that's why it's more of a beneficial
No,
relationship
he's
with
also
no love.
extorting money, no, at that same time from the
Yeah,
husband
he's
when he's
extorting money,
yeah.
and
Prabhakar.
repeatedly you see he's asking like, "Do you love me? Do you love me?" So it's more of, I felt, more of superficial or superficiality, whatever the love
But
and care
अगर
part.
वो भी superficial श्रीलेखा तो show में है क्या फिर to hold on to
That's the
something?
thing.
It has Nina Simone
No,
Sinner,
no,
man,
I'm
which is also
asking you
basically
just because
That was a
maybe
good, huh? That was
yeah.
a good. I liked it when it comes.
It is Nina Simone Sinner, man, which was
But
also used in
that's
Inland
the
Empire.
equation Macbeth and Lady Macbeth share.
No,
They
but they
don't
have
love.
a very
No, they have a very twisted idea of
Macbeth-
how
twisted
they
romance though.
Macbeth
No,
and-
for each other.
there's an
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
undercurrent of romance throughout it, like really dark
No.
romance. So
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
Manisha Koirala wala Tu Hi Re part, like
I like that sort of stuff. I was
Yeah.
like chuckling at. I was like,
That
Tuhire
sort of
used
that sort of
pretty
sheer
well.
stupid
Yeah.
proclamations are good. That's fine.
No, I
Chalega.
thought sometimes it went into Priyadarshan territory. So I was like, this is like strange
Where-
how
where-
high
where-
pitched
where?
it's going. No, I mean, in the
No,
first
I was-
episode, I was thinking a little bit just because it's so heightened, like the way people are acting. Manoj Vajpayee, especially, is like
Also the amount of times
delighting in
Manisha
acting in
Koirala
that
is
way.
being mentioned. The amount of time Manisha Koirala is being mentioned, I'm surprised she didn't have a cameo in this show. But jo bhi hai.
Special thanks दिया
Yeah,
ना.
even I thought she got a special thanks. Yeah.
पैसा भी मिला होगा.
You
इतना
both have
बार
the
नाम
common,
बोला पैसा तो
both
चाहिए
have
ही.
the common burqa, like they were wearing. She was wearing
Yeah,
a,
Bombay
Yeah,
से.
in
she was
Bombay.
wearing a
Bombay
blue
दिल से
burqa.
also, no?
and-
Yeah.
दिल से
Yeah.
But
Dil Se
mostly
Bombay,
from
Bombay.
Bombay,
हाँ.
because
Bombay.
Tuhire is from Bombay, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mani Ratnam
Yeah,
को भी तो
yeah.
What
thanks
I
दिया
was
था. I
meaning to
think.
tell, like,
हाँ.
even though there was love and care, it was not the only thing. There were
Ah,
also
of course.
exchange, like, of interests,
of course.
which was keeping them together.
Corrupted
That's
love.
what I was trying to.
Let's say that.
Corrupted love is a different thing. Then I think that's
Huh.
not superficial, really. I think it is a
But
certain
that is the
idea.
only.
It is broken.
That is, but
It is
that is
broken.
the
It is-
heart of the black heart of the movie. Like I think that is,
Yeah,
if there is
yeah,
any, like
sure.
for me तो वही है. उसके
Yeah,
अगर
yeah,
वो
yeah,
नहीं लगता मुझे
absolutely.
तो फिर तो genuinely I might have not
Again,
finished it.
Konkona is one of the primary reasons to watch this show because she is
Yeah.
just terrific. She's like giving such a
She
solid.
has really
Look,
amazing, those eyes when like they
Yes.
are so they become like really big when
Yeah.
she has to be like
Anime eyes.
really anime
she
eyes.
has
Yeah,
those
yeah,
anime
absolutely.
eyes. Yes.
I
She
was
looks like a
really biting in
vixen
the
when she
first.
like looks like sideways to people. She looks like what Catwoman-esque almost, whatever you want to call it. Like she has
Durga. She basically looks like a Durga idol when it is angry.
If she wears like a big.
next project with
forehead.
Joy Ghosh, Kahani 3.
Oh
I am
my
walking
God.
out.
Best.
I'm walking out.
Vidya Balan versus Konkona.
Oh my God.
I'm walking out.
But also, I like the
Amartya's,
fresh pairing
dream.
of Manoj Bajpayee and Konkona together.
Hmm.
Like they have never been
Yeah,
paired
yeah.
together. So
Strange.
it's a good kind of pairing.
What a
Strange
strange
that they have
thing,
never
right?
been they've never been
Yeah.
paired
How
together.
strange. Yeah.
Hmm.
They have never
I mean,
been
it's a
together.
dream casting coup, although like with everyone, even Nasser.
अरे तो इसीलिए तो excited the sir triple
Even
E.
the character of Thupalli I liked. I
Yeah,
liked his
Anbudhasan.
character.
Oh, Thupali, I really
Also,
liked.
Nasser. Also, I'm so glad. Like, I did not like the role which was being given to him, but I'm so glad that Nasser got such a meaty role.
He's got, yeah, very big role. Yeah.
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 As a cop,
He's got-
because he's played cop
As a cop.
multiple times
Yeah,
already.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Throughout his career, even in Nayakan. Nayakan also was
Yeah,
a cop,
Nayakan.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
80s.
Nayakan also was a cop, yeah.
Mani Ratnam.
So yeah, there you go.
Anything else?
I liked the first episode. I liked very much, like when Prabhu and Umesh are in the same bed. So he's under and he's above. It was very metaphorical. Like at
Yes,
that
yes.
time it wasn't,
Hmm.
but Prabhu was above and he was just under, and it's as if like the flipping.
Parasite.
Soon the flipping will
Yeah.
take place.
Really.
And yeah, like
The above and low wala thing, I honestly, it's been so ingrained in my head from Parasite that anytime I see that division being expressed visually, I'm like Parasite. But
I like that. I like that. And also that tension in the scene when he sleeps and then he's about to
that was good.
escape and then he finds out. And that
Yeah.
entire tension was really captivating for me in the first episode only.
You really liked the first episode, no, Sanjay? I took
Yeah,
this
yeah, I
time
think it's a very
to
good
get.
pilot.
I just took time to acclimate myself
No,
with the
I
tone. I was like, just
as a pilot, I told
it
what I
sets
liked
up
was
stuff
as
a
a
lot of
pilot,
stuff.
I
Yeah.
think it does really well. Like it's setting up the tone, characters, you know, even like the a bigger thing, like someone's death also comes in the first episode itself. So I was like, this is doing really good as a writing piece, as a
Hmm.
show pilot. I think it does really well as an opener.
Mhm.
But that is again me.
Hmm.
You might not like
Hmm.
it so much, but
No, but
yeah.
so I think any more thoughts, guys? मेरी tone
Hmm.
एकदम से change हो गई है, I
I'm
realized, but
exhausted.
Yes,
I'm
I'm done.
exhausted.
I have
Mm,
spoken enough. I have spoken enough, I
I
guess.
need that. I need that soup. I need that final killer soup as a pick me up at this point. I'm so
Paya,
exhausted. Yeah,
अच्छा
With the
paya
वाला
whole
soup.
jar
yeah,
of
yeah, yeah. पूरा grand guignol spit out करूँगा. Shoka all thoughts because I'm done. Yeah.
I like it. I
well,
still like it.
it's on Netflix, by the way, if you've not mentioned
Yeah.
that.
I'm disappointed.
For
I'm
people who didn't know, it's on
genuinely.
Netflix at this point.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
No, but
I'm
Yeah, it's
genuinely
on Netflix.
disappointed.
I guess my final thought would be I mean, I also wrote very snarkily in my context things that too much substance used before this was written, because it seems like a show which is been written after having a lot of substances and not, you know, controlling yourself. Substances for people,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, yeah,
That Amartya will
But
confirm too.
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
No, but I think this is also one of those issues, and the movie I was actually mentioning, Sanjeet, which I got reminded of, not because of anything else, but just the sprawling,
Huh.
let's was Under the Silver Lake, which I don't like a little bit. So, which I also
That
think
I
is,
like. Yeah.
which I
भाई
also think is
स्प्रॉल
quite
मतलब भाई
empty.
स्प्रॉल मतलब इतना भी
So,
स्प्रॉल नहीं है.
no, but no, but
हाँ.
I find that very, वो surrealism uska, I just find a little too, find it annoying, honestly. So,
Inherent
iska
Vice.
Inherent
Inherent Vice I
Vice
do
won't do.
like though, which is
But
weird.
they're all same, right? In that, I mean,
But
Under Silver Lake
thoda
and
Big
Inherent Vice.
Lebowski.
People
Believe
What
disagree.
worked
I've
for
never
what
cared about
worked
Big
for
Lebowski
Inherent
that much,
Vice?
I think.
Yeah, what worked for Inherent Vice, what worked for Big Lebowski, what worked for all of them is the fact that those movies were 2 hours.
That is also a big thing. Like they like you it to stretch it
Yes.
Yes.
over 7 hours is also a huge task. I
Yes.
think the approach for that, I think, is you should like look at. I would suggest Fargo would be a better sort of,
Yeah,
uh
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
no, I wouldn't say
Fargo would
substitute,
be
like
like
if you want
Fargo would be
international.
like taking far if you're going to do the Fargo approach, it would be like taking each episode as a singular whole and putting all your surrealism, all your comedy into one single episode, and
Yeah.
then ensuring that all the episodes connect together in a
Yeah.
coherent whole. That's the
Because
only
that
way
show
you could do
takes,
it.
I know that show has episodes which really go like,
That show has
haywire.
episodes for long. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
Some
do
of
it
I
for
know.
one of
complete
them is
Seen
like
nuts.
season
almost an
one.
animated sequence, like the whole
Oh,
episode.
yeah,
I
yeah.
remember from
Which
season
season?
3 is season 3, I
Season
think.
3.
The Carrie
I have seen
Coon,
season one only.
David Thewlis.
Season 4.
Season
Season 4
1
is a
and 2 is
season.
probably the best. But
Season 4
Okay.
is very bad, but there in season 4 there is an episode in which there is a literal 1950s ka twister which comes out of nowhere and takes one of the characters away. And I'm like,
yeah, so it is very,
nice.
it goes absurd
Okay,
also.
then.
Like it's not a
Yes.
show which is just grounded into Minnesota and whatever. Minnesota nice,
Mhm.
since Amartya has seen it, he will
Minnesota
get the
nice.
get the
Yes.
Fargo episode 5. But yes.
Yes.
Anyways,
Okay, okay.
I would still recommend the show, despite all my issues,
For
simply
what reason? Like,
for
yeah,
Konkana Sen
for what?
Sharma, and for maybe
I
you
can't.
will connect with Abhishek Chaube's humor here.
Hmm.
I just think it's the Netflix problem of giving someone full reign and them taking all the freedom in their world to, you know, no control. Which I'm like, ठीक है, no control भी ठीक है, but like थोड़ा सा you need that movie का restriction to, pull, थोड़ा discipline to pull back on just all the wackiness. I'm like, थोड़ा सा control करो,
I
थोड़ा सा
can't.
वापस लाओ
I can't in good
within the
conscience.
limits.
Yeah. I can't in I mean, I can in good conscience say that, considering what Netflix India has currently become, basically,
Mm.
I can in good conscience say that experimentation of storytelling and content like this needs to happen more and more,
Yeah.
because that's how media will progress. That's how
Mhm.
media literacy will progress. Which,
Hmm.
if you look at Twitter, social media, people who quote unquote study films, that's sorely lacking. But also,
सर
if you
आप
think
कौन से
about it,
ट्विटर फीड पे हो, बताओ, मैं
बहुत
भी जरा
सारे.
देखूं इनको.
हाँ हाँ. But there is
गुस्सा
also
होने के
another
लिए.
Yeah, but the problem here is कि I can't in good conscience recommend
I understand.
with as much of directorial touches or Konkona's performance and all of it. I can't in good conscience recommend this show because it's too damn long, man. I was
तोड़ तोड़
legit
के देखो,
exhausted. It was
maybe
too
that
damn long.
helps. I don't know, but I feel अगर मैं तोड़ तोड़ के देखता, I wouldn't have had the
मैं
motivation
तोड़
to
तोड़
go
के ही
back.
देखा, मैंने तो तोड़ तोड़
Okay.
के ही
I
देखा.
watched it all
Yeah,
in
he
one
did
go.
watch it in with break. He didn't binge. Yeah.
Okay. I
Martya,
watched it in
Yeah.
one go because I was like, if I leave this, I know I will not come back.
Martya, I understand
Oh.
you're not recommending this, but don't recommend Scam 2003 also, okay?
No, I'm not recommending that. That show is also not great. I'm sorry. Like कुछ
I'm
ना
just
कुछ
joking.
तो. Yeah.
Yeah, is that and Sam Bahadur the only thing which will get Sanjeet's full stick for the whole of
Yeah.
2024.
I
Until you see
understand
Past Lives,
Sanjeev's
maybe
disapproval of
then
Scam.
you will also join our party.
Possibly.
I
Our party
understand
meaning mine.
Sanjeev's disapproval.
Like us.
Huh?
What? I didn't watch Sham Bahadur, so I don't know. I
No,
don't even
Past
intend
You
to
don't
Lives
watch.
need
wala
to.
party.
You don't
Past
need
Lives. Oh, Sam Bahadur,
Past
please
Lives was.
beware.
Hmm.
I won't
Sam
watch
Bahadur,
it.
don't watch.
I won't
Yeah,
waste
don't
my
watch it.
time. I
Yeah.
won't waste my time.
Good.
Time, money,
For Killer
money,
Soup,
patience.
I would say, like, of course it's slow and it's long. It has its
Slow तो
own
नहीं
share
लगा
of.
मुझे ऐसा कुछ, but ठीक है.
No, there are slow, like, for many people it's
As in
slow. I have.
disinterested. I mean, you can be disinterested. That's a different thing. But yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
like it feels like it's
People
dragging,
use the
but
term very
then
loosely at this point. Slow.
Like I
Slow
heard some
नहीं.
people say Merry Christmas. I was like, Merry Christmas is slow. Really?
That's
like-
exactly what I said before.
That is the
Yeah.
criticism for Merry Christmas. Like it's so event filled. कहाँ पे slow है ये picture? Like I'm like,
वो same
समझाओ मुझे.
criticism सोनचिड़िया के लिए भी था when
The
it had come
Sohn
out.
Again, I'm
Chidiya
going
का
to
तो
say
Dave
this.
butchered only.
Yeah.
So I
I'm
can't
going
do
to
But
say
anything.
this.
still, I
I'm
would
going to
say.
say this thing. I'm going to say this thing.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. फिर बता देना. I'm going to say this thing again. The internet is a mistake. The internet has been a mistake for a very long time. The internet is a mistake even now.
सर इतनी सारी
How
पिक्चर
ironical,
इंटरनेट की
sir.
वजह से ही देखने को मिलता है सर.
We are literally
हाँ.
here because
हम
of the
इंटरनेट पे
internet.
ही ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं सर. सारा धंधा
ठीक है,
इंटरनेट
so
पे चल
Jio,
रहा है.
ठीक है, so Jio was a mistake. Jio was a mistake. Cheap
Geo
internet
as in
was a
like
mistake.
Gina or like actually Geo
No,
the
no,
company?
the
No,
internet.
Ambani's
Okay.
Jio.
उतना
Okay.
existential नहीं जा रहा हूँ मैं. Killer soup नहीं
You
खाया
can say
मैंने. उतना existential.
social media is a mistake. You can say that.
Yeah.
X is a mistake. आप X से हटो, हो सकता है थोड़ी better हो जाए तबीयत.
But on to Killer Soup's closing thoughts. Srilekha, do you have any closing
Srilekha,
thoughts?
do your thing.
Yeah, so as I was saying, like it might seem drag, like it might be boring also, you might get disinterested, but still I would recommend everyone, like especially people who love Shakespeare, to watch this, and people who are associated with literary backgrounds or who take interest in literature to watch this, because this has many literary references and
Good like
many
also done
allusions.
well. No, that's the bigger thing. I was about
Yeah,
to say कि वो
many.
references तो करते हैं सब. Like अब
No,
जब
many good references, well crafted
Yeah.
literary references, along with allusions
Slightly
to
disagree with
Shakespeare.
you there, but okay.
ठीक है
कि-
वो, but like
इतना well crafted, I have some doubts.
अरे
but
उसका
चलो.
last thought से रे.
हाँ.
along with along with allusions to Shakespeare, but also subverting Shakespeare in some manner and inducing some kind of gender issues which still plague our
Yes.
country.
Identity.
So
Still plague our
Identity
country,
issues,
still
yes.
plague the world only. ये अपनी country उसमें exclusively बुरी नहीं है. सब बुरे हैं.
it is buri.
No, हमारी
ध्रुव
country
जय हिंद बोल दे उसके बाद.
हमारी
जय हिंद बोल
country
दे.
में exclusively बुरी नहीं
Book end
है.
हो जाएगा एपिसोड.
सर फाइटर का ट्रेलर मैंने देख ही लिया फाइनली.
Oh my God, finally
मेरी
it's a
क्रिसमस के
disappointment.
पहले. So डिसअपॉइंटमेंट सिड आनंद की पिक्चर के साथ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट शब्द नहीं यूज हो सकता क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती.
Oh my God.
Disappointment सिर्फ चौबे के साथ.
All right.
Expectation
Oh
कहाँ
God.
से आता है?
But
No, you like Pathan actually, so yes.
I liked, but that doesn't mean
Not
that I have
you,
high
yaar. I'm
expectations
saying
of
still
Sid
like
Hanani.
yaar.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
liked Pathan compared to other SRK films.
हाँ,
That doesn't
जवान
mean I
and
love the
डंकी.
film. Yeah, that doesn't mean I love it and I'll rewatch it. I'll never rewatch it, possibly, because I don't
Why no room
find
for the
Pathan also.
extended cut?
no.
Okay.
No, that is
It
the
will be-
Jawan, which was just 1
अच्छा.
minute longer than the original cut.
उसमें कितने cuts
Aptly-
थे?
300.
1 मिनट
एक
में।
ही तो मिनट ज्यादा था भाई, क्या
हाँ
बोल
बट वो
रहे हो?
1 मिनट में कितने और कट्स थे एडिटिंग वाले?
30 में भी?
ओके,
Closing thoughts.
यस क्लोजिंग तो हो गए सर, आप बोलो अपने।
हाँ तो
हाँ।
बोलने का दे रहा है,
अच्छा ओके।
तू पठान में चल।
आपने जय हिंद इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, तो मेरी गलती नहीं है।
हाँ, नहीं तू एंड में बोल दे फिर भी.
अच्छा ठीक है।
I really like the show. I most definitely recommend it. But if you don't like the pilot, then don't continue ahead with it. Because I think the pilot is mostly the representative of what the show is really about. The tone, the pacing, the characters, and the story. And I think that is pretty much it. Because
Yeah.
I love the show. I really like it. I think it's easily in my top 10 Indian shows for sure. For sure. Maybe it wouldn't be later on, but at this point,
नंबर 1 क्या है सर? सेक्रेड गेम सीजन 2।
no, the whole of Sacred Games. No, but it is
Yeah,
Patal.
same. Same,
Patal.
same, same.
Mirzapur?
No,
Yeah.
no, not the whole.
Yeah.
जुबली नो,
Uh,
आई थॉट जुबली वुड बी नंबर 1 फॉर यू।
yeah, वो top 5 में रहेगा, and even Better Life Foundation, which is nowhere
एंड स्कैम
on the internet.
वो दूसरा वाला ना, पहला वाला।
1992.
हाँ।
Top
Harshad
10.
वाला,
Mehta
पहला
scam.
वाला.
Pushpa
Yeah.
Hansal
Wali is
Mehta
also something
वाला.
that I like. Yeah,
हंसल
Yeah.
मेहता तो हमारा दोस्त है श्रीलका।
yeah.
He
That was
invited
hilarious, by
me,
the way.
Aryan, and Sanjeet to the premiere of his new film, which we
Yeah.
rejected.
Fucking
Sarcasm,
avoidable.
sarcasm.
And then
For
later
for
cleaned Drew's room also.
for
Yeah.
my
Oh,
for more extended reference of this, you can watch our recorded episode of Mami Part 1,
Can I
which is
add
the
an
only
Part 2
time
addendum?
also.
when we were conscious during the
Yeah.
whole festival.
Can I add
So,
can I add an addendum to your thoughts, Sanjeet? Just one addendum.
हाँ.
ये positive addendum ही है कि
हाँ.
if you are going to watch the show, watch the show till episode 3.
hmm.
Okay.
Episode 3
हाँ.
के end में जो होता है, उसके बाद if you are with the show,
3 या
continue.
2 के end में? अच्छा 3 के end।
3,
3
3.
also. Yeah. I
Yes.
get what Amartya is saying.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
I
yeah.
see. I like the show. I really like the show, but
Hmm.
I don't disagree with a lot of points that you guys made. That is what I can say for sure. Again, comedy is a subjective thing that we've discussed.
कॉमेडी का
multiple
इशू तो is the
for a-
big, I think, but it's a big thing in terms of
हाँ,
issue
so
it's a huge
pointing
thing.
and you know whatever.
Of course,
yeah.
of course. No, but even
Yeah.
the flaws that you've pointed out, I do agree with some of them for sure.
Me
So
too.
I'm not saying it's not flawless. I've never
अरे
Yeah.
flawless
said that
कुछ नहीं
it's
होता
none of
sir।
us ever. Yeah.
Yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
चीज
It
होती
has
except
flaws.
if it's Talwar script, which is flawless. Uh,
Directed
but
by your
favorite, yeah, of course,
yeah.
written by your favorite. And
Written
Amartya's
by
favorite.
a lot of
No
people's
comment.
favorite.
No comment.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I again, what Amartya is saying, I think makes more sense. If you can carry on till the third episode, and if you like it, then continue it. Otherwise, you can drop it. Maybe then
Or
that's
maybe
not
I
your
don't
cup.
know. Maybe people take substances and like these shows. Maybe that's an approach to
Oh
take.
yeah, this is definitely a show which
Amartya,
you
you
should take
missed on
substances for.
commenting about Manoj Bajpayee performance. You said you will be.
You said you will
I
be like
did.
critical about it a little bit in the tone with which you
No, I
introduced it.
did. I was like, I don't think there was too much of a difference once once, Umesh got the plastic surgery and everything, and then Prabhu got completely sidetracked and everything. I think like Manoj Bajpayee's character as Prabhu did not register in me enough,
वो
that
तो
there could be a contrast per se. But again, if you look at it from the perspective of Konkona's character and look at how Bajpayee's character of Prabhu is portrayed, you can understand clearly how Prabhu should have been more or less.
I like him
But
in really exasperated mode though. Like the चूतिया गई हो क्या is like really
I
well
like him
delivered.
best. I like him best in I like him best in Family Man.
Okay.
Seriously, that's the character I
He's
love him.
He's very
He's
good.
amazing.
brilliant.
I've seen
He's
him
He's good
actually.
in.
I think you
He's
also
good
saw him
recently
actually,
in
right?
Joram also.
Joram, he's very good.
He's very good in it,
Yeah.
but not as
And
good
as
as
Aryan would
says.
say,
Always
he's the
be
best
my-
performance.
Family
Sorry.
Man will always be my top 10 Indian episode, like Indian web series,
Shows.
whatever I've watched.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
always.
Uh-huh.
Good show. Good
I
show.
love it.
Of course.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But okay, I
Khatam karo,
think.
Sanjeet.
Yeah. we've all summed up our points. No
We were
soup once, surprisingly,
नहीं
only
थे
one
बीच
call.
बीच में, मैंने रोके नहीं, बट हाँ वो बॉइलिंग वॉइलिंग तो था ही, और भी एक दो
हाँ
थे.
वो सब कुछ था,
बट आई वाज
हाँ
अबाउट टू से कि वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स सब साथ में हैं बट उनको मिक्स नहीं किया ढंग से, लाइक दैट वे, बट श्योर
हाँ
It's
वो
a very
बहुत,
हाँ
lame
हाँ
वो
make
लेम
क्या
है
हुआ है.
और वो हो चुके हैं, तो फिर
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
अ,
And it's also like, when we were mostly civil, like we were
हाँ
tending
हम
towards
लोग थोड़े
being
ज्यादा
complete.
एंथुजियास्टिक थे अमरते, बट ठीक है, उतना
Yes,
तो ये
we were
एक्सपेक्ट करके
mostly
आए थे.
civil. No, no,
हाँ.
like Sanjit was literally moderating, and Sanjit was like standing with a baton at this point. Why? Explain. Why? Explain. I'm like,
Good,
okay.
no, that is how
Good,
you
good.
get good episodes.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I
no, of
think.
course, of course.
Of course, of course. Yeah.
Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for supporting us. You can follow us on Instagram at queensdead.filmpodcast. You can follow uh, Dhruv on his Instagram page at Terminal Cinema, Amartya on his Instagram page at Amartya25. Shilaka, what's your Instagram? Do you want people to follow you
Shrilekha
on Instagram?
underscore Shrilekha underscore Mitra, right?
I
Yes,
think the
yes.
opposite.
Yes.
Do you?
Inverted.
Okay,
Mitra
cool.
Srileka,
At
I
the
think. Yeah.
yes, at the rate of
Her
Mitra
writer
Shilika.
profiles will also be
वो सब
her articles
सब
in the
डिस्क्रिप्शन में
description.
होएगा,
You can check
पढ़ो
it out. You can
प्लीज,
follow
क्योंकि हम लोग मैं एफर्ट डालता हूँ
Dhruv.
लिखने में.
Dhruv. Only you put effort. Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. We
on
don't
the
do
description.
anything. We
हाँ.
we just come here and speak and then move on.
तो ठीक है, वो भी
Thank you so
बहुत है.
much for listening.
हम्म.
Thank you so much for supporting us. Please make sure you follow us on Spotify. It helps us reach out to more people. If there's any feedback, if you want us to change something, or do you want to tell us anything about the episode that we've had till now,
Give us options to record for the podcast, because we are looking to try, and I know someone gave us a idea to talk about Hercule Poirot film.
Hercule
Hercule
Poirot.
Poirot.
Oh God.
Yeah,
I
so
know who gave it. I'll tell you right a little later, right after
okay,
the
fine.
podcast.
But anyways,
But there's also a live stream which happens on YouTube every Monday.
yes,
Not
Yeah.
this coming
it's
Monday, because
not gonna happen this coming Monday, because there's nothing.
this Monday, but it usually Mondays, at least 3 Mondays of a month. I'm pretty sure. So please make sure you check us
फाइटर का
out
होएगा,
on
फाइटर का.
Fighter
Fighter का
episode on
definitely
live
होएगा.
stream. That
And
is happening for sure.
soon live tweet reviews are also starting.
That Amartya will do exclusively.
No, 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 definitely not. People don't want my
Uh,
rage rant anymore. थोड़ा मुझे भी कम करने दो.
No, but we
Okay.
are looking for like topics for podcast episodes. So, like this month, for example, we will be finally doing a
Yeah.
Western episode
Western. Yeah. Yeah.
involving 3 Western films curated by Amartya and Aryan.
Yeah.
I
Aryan
like to
था
say
involved.
Amartya only. Yeah, I was about to say only
Aryan
Amartya.
था involved.
Sir,
Okay.
you
Okay. Okay.
guys,
Okay.
Sorry, Aryan.
yes, anyways.
Sorry, Aryan.
वो सुनेगा थोड़ी ना ये.
Sunega. Anyway, thank you so much for listening again. This is the end of the episode. Khatam.